Odofo mema kwaba edeba Adom TV jumedi atune dini empo se enkrahye nsem eso mi amtidwa mu amedi jumedi ho chiame edi amje so ene ni tekotego na megidi se wo ho ye ene ekọ na wotwe nyina nsem ampese me no susu ho no matune dini wise words of inspiration ensem wa sebe enam nyansa akwa so a ehyenkran ena me de brawe de di kano meka ne potoka semu na ma kire omu akanka semu na nkrampo kasemu. There are two greatest tragedies in life. There are two tragedies. Enema bi wo a ewo nipa brabo mu a echense nipa na wuo. Enema mienu we se obrabo mu a te se de oye tiase wuo no. Sa enema mienu we na ene de wo. First one is your ignorance of your true identity, self-worth, intrinsic values and capabilities. The can say unim ni power yo. Men can say yo ba bemba enkrani anampo akani anafi fragmentum. That's not your identity. Anaya ganani there be. I'm talking about ignorance of your true identity, who you are, and ignorance of your self-worth, how you are worth. One will say, so ufa watch here, bomiya, unim nebo. Let's say shemia, unim nebo. And Pabo shemina tereshemi, unim nebo. But what does it mean, unim nebo? Do you know how much you are worth? If you don't even know how much you are worth, you don't carry yourself as worthy. And until your yaw, and a tear say, wasam, say, one nama, unim said, I was so buffer. Those will be ignorance of your value, intrinsic value. Nyoma ehuhia a ti mu a sombo. If you're not aware of nyoma a sombo a ekura wo e ba ne sunsum famu hunamu ne adwene mu ene nyansam a ya na e chense oti ase wawuo. Enti nyoma me nsam abro so yi se wonim oya a woyo. Se wonim se da wo sombo fa. Se wonim nyoma ati wo mu hunam famu. Ati wonim umusunsum famu enimpo okra ne mu abeti da adwuma wonim sa nyoma we nyina no e chenti ase wo de to so mienu eye wo ya wo aniwa awani emfra ye septa frache nanso wonni anishade hunu emo abrabo. If you have eyes but you don't have vision, your life is worse. Bebre ne nem ya ase wo bubra abrabo wa bono woni anishade hunu, there's no vision. They don't have plans. Woni hihye bia wona abrabo di akire eno ansa na pa sori yanko yemro. A person without vision, a person without plan, a person without a target in his life is worse off somebody who is dead. What you say? Na empo wuni anisade hunu bia ma abrabo. Wa wade said that will bu abrabo afa, said that will show this afa. If you don't have a vision for your life, also you have not planned, said that will show abrabo akosie. Kwa ba fa so show wade akosie. How you are going to plan your health. So we need now we need target outcomes. Saying, it is therefore important for us to become aware of our self-worth. How can I improve my self-worth? Number two, Unyankopon de adua me so no kwambe so na mefa so adenadie. How am I going to assess my value and increase my capability to live a life that is extraordinary and excellent? Now, do I even have a vision for my life? Me when so dey hunu e mama brabo. And now I'm sorry, what is my vision for the day? What is my vision for the week? What's my vision for the month? And what's my vision for the year? Then that's who and I'm actually ama brabo na watchi busumwe any afia da manimu. Once you have a vision, you have to set a plan. Ishesheye me faso na me drew me vision no amana be mu amame. Planning is the key to greatness. So once you show brabo ba ko di obi a wa she na brabo achi da bia obetwa duasu as human beings, you need to plan where you are going, what you want to become, and how you want to become. And so we are share efa nioma opese woye baby opese wudru any kwan ya betia fa so adru ho. You say when your target no so you have a target for your life. Afese ne efie num se ne efie mienu se ne na twa se ne aha na me de mabra bo adru wo me honam a say na me de beye wo ma dwene mu a say na me nyansa ebedore akoduro say ofa matenka afese ne matenka me de na die ne beye weni you must set a target na wo achieve a abo ho abaso ye bebre ne ebu bra keke ya ware keke ye say ye tete nkwada say vision nim wono yire shira ye munya vision awade na mo ware no de ne mo ndaso hunu. What is the vision for your marriage? Nya papa yo ye nya mama ye nya o hwe na movie mu debi. You must have a defined vision for your relationships. You must have a defined vision for your educational programs. And you must also have a defined vision for your health. My pomod ni say na pese echo. E de na muntuo na metua my pomodin be wie peyo. Enema be na mejayo me jayo e be bo my pomod ni. And sembe na meka en de o na menka e be bo me nkita hodie. Empo menya me som ene me ni ankrankra ene ye no e de na e wo mani so pese me hunu. How do I want to be termed and called? E de na pese e de bo my bodni. When you have all these indicators, you have to pursue them each day as you rise up in the morning and mark yourself if you reach a point that you've achieved an outcome. Life depends on the results you create. Your life is linked to the results you are creating. If you're not creating results, it means you haven't set a vision. You don't have a plan. You don't even have a strategy. It doesn't take money to create a vision. And yes, sika and ambassador when you are doing where are brantie or baba where we school menya jumanya and no vision abama jumanya and no vision. You must create a vision that in the next 1 year and 2 years hana mede mabra be duro hana mede me kita hodie be duro aha na mede maware be duro obi was aware edne you need to worry. If you have a vision for your marriage and focus on it and plan to achieve it, definitely you arrive. Abrabo ayebo obi anyone in so na che dare. Na woni a ayebi ahwebie no woni nipa awoyo. Na wona abrabo esombo na woda ade esombo adi akira nkorankore na wonu ndaso hunu ede ma abrabo na won hyehyeye empo wode akwan so efa kwampa so nyansa akwan so enya dia wope. Na me nhira onyame kan ho. Dia me di jawo ne se onipa otiasha woni vision wo chen dia wawuo. Onipa otiasha wonim se dia wote no wo chen dia wawuo. If you are alive and you don't have a self identity, you are worse than somebody who is dead. So otiasha na woni planner wo chen dia wawuo. Me se na dia wasori atra ho. Obefa vision. Obefa dia sombo ama wo na wo de wonsa ne wonan nyina di akire. Onyame enka ho no no ntena. Me da Adom TV adwumayefo a wo bo machi do mamre dwumadi ebre wo. Woni onyame entina
kwa Badwam TV Badwam so yada ni te kote guase kranshan sama ne anopen so de abre ne ye benada channel so nye dwada enura na ye dwada ya fofie denti bia na ye osenne ye dwada ne ye benada sama sie ne bra so se ye de bro Adom TV Badwam kase de to dwa omu bia obetimi ye bekotachi man ye se de glue ana super glue ehun aye den fi se mabuna kenno ne energy drinks abomu a omutwini mi yadi mun sam ni chemu no ebebro na fe yakọ akọhwe shuku bi a yetumu esanse emabunu bi ba ho ebebu asuku fo ana chachirefo no ne ade be na wotwemienu nie no yesi ye bie yadi sansam no ene nsem bi ene yede bro Adom TV Badwam kase ko Facebook/Adom TV kase ene twego ho ena ye Go TV a channel no ye 119 ena DSTV channel no 280 mi amesumo anopai midi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die motie sede nsam no enchiremu ankasa etie ene yese emabunu ya wonmo ewo tachiman ne mpotemu wi nom ne nsanom ne kokin ne tramadol nom ne ade no ese kwada ne do mo de ato nchen yo asese de super glue ene yese energy drinks nom keka bomu na ne omo twene saa aya asɛm a ayo how e de ama mpanimfo nto ma kasetia Adom TV kase etwaso
ya no kure say dey short we kokura yenya na they say ya te say boys no bi e dey fra 5-star ebi so omo di hua me wo wa station mo ha me wo container tembia boys wo machi ha omo beto ento omo to na ma bi sa omo say adenti na mo ti meto no bebre sa ya omo se omo mpabo na aye den ate am say na mo de tembia mo mpabo ate na omo say enti tembia na me dia enti na me nim say eno e na omo de efra omo se omo de fra 5 omo hua omo ye ne den nti last bi na obi kan na metie
eno achi adom ka sema ne boni amana so a obo na homoden ene mo no bi omo get to sabodo wo techiman enso so echiche nkomo wonso di to dwa say
super glue no ena obie so a na wo de scarf akata anono na wan heli ete say ebia wonya kata ayi bia wo heli no eno eye fine through that gas na e wo mu no ntino me sukura na menim obi na kire ena ma me hunu ye tino sa wo de heli o kata wa hwena ba ko na wo heli e fa sa asra no na wa sa kata ba ko na wa ye ti wo ya de ma ene solution fine so de dosun bebre ye blue cheese wo ye joka wo ye rock wo ye tie wo ye amnesia wo buy we ni beti to mu no na menjindi ye ba me so hwe ye no bla wa wa nutua enya wa me nkasa ma obi hu se bia se na se me sa subaguro mo hil e wo ba enya de a wo se nipa de sani oye
Oduma say basic school ye no wo Boase East wasante mantamu no be na wotwemienu nie na mentime ho ase bi esi ye mabunu eto hye akyekyrefo ewo ho kromafo no mbeto hye akyekyrefo no eso nti abufo bai na wotwemienu ntam ni afei na mpanifo atena se amayi ato ye nti yasa bi school na Adom TV kase etwaso
Energy say ya mane tifie na haye enti achinya ma mo hye school ase enti haye de pa mo go school ma ye e bia mo tifie fa ma bo no yes na no man say na mi slamo
ye pese ye ti eye volunteer bi sesi na emrantie a wo mo wo pepa se o mo beboa se de be ya tambia no be petrol school ho na se emrantie foforo no a se bio o mo ani nso ade ye o madwe se o mo ba beto ahye achechefo no so a wo mo betimi a stop wo mo one time
ohina wo kwadua mu nso ewa ha ye ne nana nso ani komo na ye misa nana se ye no no so be ye abo akyerɛkyerɛfo yi
ye bobo ban nemum ba bia nipa bonfo no o ma ko se bia ebechini ape wo mu so bidie amehu no a ne wo mu ni nyina afiri ho
ye ne director ani komo ne misa director se da ban na school yi omo ehye ase
na otwimi ni no regional director ma me to me say me school china activities bia ekoso in the district in all other schools from 3-4 year almost first smoke china na start until Oduma say MGHS almost so be china
bidin at the Isaac K Nomanyon Adom Kase
Energy say ya mane tifie na haye enti achinya ma mo
my ento akase no so na yenko yensem foforo mu na Ghana Joint Business Consultative Forum womani nye ho kra ewo tax ahodo miensa bi aban no na mampani de nsa hyase a eye adwuma mpanifo e wo mo kasa mu kire se de wo mo timo kra sesi ano wo mo enhu so adwuma bibia ya nwanwunan ni asa de tax foforo asa ba aban de nsa hyase no na se eyade a eha wo adwen adwuma na na yepesi egu no wo mamu Omanum asem Adom TV kase etwaso
ahye achechefo no so a wo mo betimi a stop wo mo one time
ohina wo kwadua mu nso ewa ha ye ne nana nso ani komo na ye misa nana se ye no no so be ye abo akyerɛkyerɛfo yi
ye bobo ban
Nano ya wada ofuriso bosomede etoso aduonu afimpinu ene aduonu miensan mu Ghana Joint Business Consultative Forum eyenhyiemu a wonom edikotu dwa se de omanpanyini ede ne nsa hye eto ofoforo miensan emrahye bedwamu agye atomu ama na beye mra no wonom ene nye ho forum yi ena monkrata yi so ede tu dwa se wonom de wada ho a eginamu se saa eto miensan no emmoa wonom na ebegu wonom dwa wodie ewo man mu kura wonom kiremu a sese ya kura no edwa wonom die no wonhu ho ano ankampese asen akofa saa etuo yi a eba begum wono mu dwan miensen asen aba beto won so forum yi na monkrata yi so edi tudwa se wono mu de obekoso ako akosi se edwa a wodie e wo man mu no nsesanye bebe mu no atumi abo adwadifo nyina ho ban wono mu ogidie eni arehwemu se omanpanyi adodankwa akufu ado ebedwene wonsem a wodi atudwa ne nyina ho na afi wa freka biewumfo wo edwadie nyina mu sebe wono betena se adwendwene akwan pa obefa so aboa amadwadie akonkan e wo oman mu sa enkrata yi Dr. Joseph Obinya woye Ghana Union of Traders Association President ene Mark Badu Abuajia we Chief Executive Officer Eman Ghana National Chamber of Commerce and Industry ena wonom ede wonsa ehyasie ema Ghana Joint Business Consultative Forum. Nano ya wada of
Administrator ya wada St. John of God Hospital award ya nkwanta Watano North mensimu afumantemu ya Sister Faustina anakwa na ene ya one areho wo mu pa fise hospital no omuni akade a ebeboa ma pomode pa pagya ne mu e wo mpotamu ho nti won mo esre mpenifo so wo mumra emeboa wo
staff accommodation sai juma fo e boy ho modin a o ma bom ho modin ya ji sahaba so bodi bebi o mbetna aye asudi enye ba bi e ma ho ene o ko e mi se wo mu ya se bi ase sisi kura ewura e ya fada na efise yenye sika ya kwa yenye sika ani ehe administration block na so yesa since 2013 bekomle intimi complete ni nyina sika sene
Sakwabna Esibu Techi eye obstetrician gynecologist that was St. John of God Hospital na mfidie ene akade ebeboa ama ayarehwe papa tumi akoso ewa yaresabia honomu a woni bie no ono nso esi sudua.
There are a few challenges when it comes to maternal care because of partly because of where we find ourselves. We have very remote areas. Some of these mothers will find umbehu problem, but before umbedu hakrano, I complicated. These are the few challenges, and also when it comes to equipment, the durability of the equipment that we get on the market these days is also a challenge. We will try and get most of this equipment, but within a short time now they are all broken down.
Ohine ya wo mori ebu afuye papa wa abra sebo kwa mankase mensin mo krachepani na femra shebedwani ya wo office poasochi bufa so bese adehye japade mpanifo bia ni ho a omotu onan ediasi ho Adom TV kase etwaso
Yako regional minister wo yechma with mo bianca say ho sebio mo ekeno oya na mo bafudu do no wana adwan ide abani wey won twchen oya wona bia oya mtisi da eta na epunsu o mini woman na idiara onkasa ho oya ba da twchen ha bo mini e oya kodo ya da banase na mamo no sa oya twa hai ma wo wi fiti agbe na jiwo na epunsu baba fa ya mbara ye yirim le dia akwa na wa moen wendimu.
Professor Samuel Atodankan eni amani boni twetwe nkomo a wode to nanimu sei manfo a wonom etimonwi no wonom doso pa ewo abra asebu kwa mankese mensene nimu ne senti saban amfa hyehye enwu akwan mu sebe ya sa wo yonui ebi ntu wonom biemu a enya de se ebeboa wonom
mori nso edom a wose ha onya dom kakraba sa eba abra asebu kwa mankese a wonyi one of a dump my friend, and half of the population, or about 1/3 of the population, if you more. It is a shana say, Adibachi, that's what, but there, in Shafa, community, what to the man. Look at the number of lives, sir. One share a doma, Ebolus, one war, Mori, to Kromha.
Orabia ne din ade otu akwa esisi se wanya mfinhia be na duonum ho no akasa de ne ho akọ Suhum police station wa Poyamantemu akoba aposifo amanne se wabo dwumani bi etuo e wo pe ho Adom kase etwaso
wa amkwa case mu ya from o choice papa na otutu na kasa no onya kasa e o se o train lawyers ansa na wakasa na tu ndro nyumre na nya na ntie se Kionet Mpenofo, ako police station. Na match on say adia sentende. Wambra na wonko chonko say won nipa na was waira na ampa so na mabuntu na.
Manfo bi a wonom etikwesi labi enso de wonsem eto yamani boni anim.
Oye papa bia mitim ye dinye. Last bi na menyim ti me na me baba mu wa baako. Biso nkwan do me kwon mi kopengwa abeye nkwan. Inti yane nam compound no nto wo ye. Yane nam ne compound wo na atwa se we fix it yo. E ya na mi so e mi asemesi ba o. O se anka mi shutu anka wo ma benya asem o. Na mi se nti ngwa nti na obe shutu mi na na. Inti no e ye ni da ho de a oye. Ana ya de obeye na wa ye. O was continue se case ni ba no what escape popon afunu mu no wa ye case ni police case ba we di asre mu ma ye case papa ma ye
Adom TV Badwam kase da oguso ehwa ne yenko yensom foforo mu amanyo nsemu a ndisi amanyo ko no ede yie etuye ato aba ye yi empanifo bi ebi mu wo mena support safo ni nyina wo mu di kasa o edi nkomo sebe ya obi abeyi abufuo bi afri wo mu fi se okon kase no 2024 Adom kase etoso.
We invite you this morning on a mission of unity of NDC within Northern Region for Victory 2024 and beyond. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, following the intervention of the National and Regional Council of Elders of NDC and some party stalwarts, I wish to call all the teeming grassroots of the NDC in Northern Region to bury our differences and work in unity.
Enwechi etifedo mantemu chairman ma NDC amanyoko no Ali Adolf ekasa ye defense bia Brian Champon edebetudwa no okire se NPP amanyoko no bo so mo peye esanse NDC amanyoko no de won nyina ka won hobuma wo mo hwese afimpenu ne do no na yabato no won betumi edinkonim.
I want Brian Achampong to know that if NDC wins power legitimately and they say they will not hand over, the Northern region will not be part of the areas that they will not hand over. Then they will rule without Northern region. I'm telling him he should take it from us. If he doesn't know that the security, the military, the police, and all forces are only loyal to the state and not MPP. When we win power, Akufo-Addo will look for a police constable to salute him and he may not get.
Biakoya Badwam pesiaso wo timantemu NDC ni deshia baako anani abre so obepre no ahwebedwa akonya ma won ye Professor Mark Apia wade futu ama delegate no semema o masika ni wanim na mom onyi obi a adwuma no obetumi aye no aboama ensesa ba wonmo abrabom ne nsemoni Adom TV edin komoyi.
We'll have to make sure that science education in the schools is improved. That is the first thing. To that, there are certain schools that have already donated mass textbooks because everything we do, even social sciences, has mathematical background. So we will need to train our students with the culture of science. That is how we can develop.
Manyoko etitaifuo bi enso edin sembi to yamani boni enim.
Eye wo call relay edu ba bi esese na wo hwese ne a eniema si airco sese na wo hia obi a wo de baton na be ma na obetumi di akopa ma biako ye akọ na nimu because biako ye ya ka kire bebre e wo niema bebre mu inti me de masre de chese mo nam ya kwa so na ba ye muhu ye education in terms of health senior on we dika aka na nyina mahu sa niema atoto sin wa.
See, we've sent a lot of people to the parliament, and what happened is that they went, we didn't hear of them. They didn't even lobby for developing the constituency. So now that he has come, we have the hope that when he goes to parliament, we make the cabinet minister. And getting the ministership, we will perhaps come down with that expertise and come and develop the constituency for us.
Nananom ne adehia wo mo wejagbawe won kramantam yimo sa sumdue ne nkabom na won mo ehia free political parties ne wachidifo nyina entem efi se enche na afia ba ne akwakoto abad wo mo hia ya sumdue ne nkabom sempuntu so ebema ne muso ewo mpotemu a nsam no adom kase etoso
if you have the connections, if you have the facilities, you can bring the people on board. And I register on NHIS free. Renew NHIS free. All of these are borne by this costs are borne by Just Foundation. And also are giving a lot of treatments with reference to malaria, hepatitis, checking their BPs, hemoglobin, and providing free medication. And see, yeah, you say, what to me, Just Foundation, we care. But we got their family, they also care. So we thought that boom. We have more than 8 to 10,000 people, and for me, that is more satisfying.
And Wechi, come for health work, you would want to Ekoshimobi, and so Katwa so say.
We need to get development. Look on the Wama or Wakwe, better Hilaji, you walk. Ni Anquali, Shikana Banaka feature by Iwa. Bogoye Ilan she done about Colibuni, about Checky, a young to Jack Shikabe. Or Susu Yake, Sunny what you were banking. Do want a bonu of Afin of Wawa, Oblai, you may. In a jacket when you work, but it's an educative program. Not till it's called when I work a be fair, but now you know.
Ghana for nyina do anu atum sade man ekro ahokyere ne kwadana ya ebu afaye ntiri hwe na ene no asofo mpanifo bi de nsema hodo otudwa wo masama wo kanyina ne saban no ensesemu kwan ya ofaso de ensikasem no akọ animu no onsesane emamu sebeya komafo nso yebenya so emfaso ofise emu ayedene de ama obibia Adom TV etwaso.
There are men of God who sees deep in the realm of the spirit, and who, when they are brought together and the seat of government is liaising with them and fellowshipping with them, this nation will never be the same.
Anyomtofo akukudam ene ko dwumadie na se a wonom koto ayeye nyom emma omanfo etimi fasa akwanya ne so etontom awrade asoya no agidiye paase enhihye a wode egu akwan mu a wode bedi saa afinhyianai enipa bebre wo mu a ebeboa wo man Dr. Lawrence Tete eko dwumadie na sibia wode nsem sei etudwa.
Any nation without any spiritual backing has no future. Righteousness exalts a nation, and when the righteous rule, the people rejoice. There is no gainsaying that in this Ghana now, we seem to have lost sight of the spirituality, and that is why we are in trouble.
But your futu kokobo ma Ghana fo nyina ya mamre ne amane de enikwanso yetoto no ase ne empren kabomo na we na Eastern Regional Sakin Kakajita ye zongo na wode futu yi manra afofie da ne ye de ho futu nsem bi eni.
Barka da sallah Ghana for asama me kachira mo no pepe fo nso ene Ghana for momma yenka yentimbo mo ya mamre ene amane no yemma embra yemma ebuo emba yentem yentiti yemba ewo kwan paso ne enti ameka asane se ntiti eno pepe fo ene ekrapem fo titi papa ne ho enti yanka yentimbo mo ne yemma ya mamre no ene ya amane no se na Adom TV o magina ho se amane ne amamre ombeso mo yiye no yankopon omboa ya na yensu yenye na saade no nkoso.
Enwachi Adom kase ne controller leader Emansa Wamadu Adwi Zongo Malam Ismail Reis esoso twetwenkomo no de futu e magana de hye nyina se ommo homodin asa de biom be bia no omema asumdie edi hene.
Enti yesra efre Ghana fo nyina se ye nyina no yemma asumdie ene asitena pa ene ekuru ye embra ye ntem na se eno tumi ba ye ntem a ena ye betimi ahyemu ye hwe nhwemu ya enye muslim fo nko a every tradition ewo hanum aye hyemu eda otumfo nyankopon ase obi a ewo Ghana man mu se do ye wanta o ye mu na mu ma emma empai pai ye nyina ye nya no kro na ye mfa nsum o man no ye mfa nsum ye nyankopon.
esie da se papa mraso ufifie akwarade mfa nko mfa mrasum dwemu yetimi hwe yen live on so Facebook/Adom TV obanhene kwabna santenso aye krado sede de obonkrata no mu ensem etie ene online stories no ene brason say yede ebro nti yera sante begina ho na yento aso aha nti eno ano no se yen hyase na yenko online stories no na fe yenko yanimu nti ye bedwam ena o hwe Adom TV mede afia amankwata maklo na yensha no so yen birthday no so contact no ho so timi de odi eba na fe ya to aso ya we shi munyina nso happy birthday dia mom ti o man hene kwabna sante eni jane na so be me mo akwaba
mejo so
bibi aboko de
bibi aboko ba yesu sun kasa ya ma ese necessary ma ese
un kasa bi na yesu sun kasa zenyisi
o kasa pia unyamane
it's fine but nyese unkumye wano kwa
debu mi
ene
bebu yensusu
enkasa
yesu nkasa o
ende no kre
go bebia ugina ekasa na nkasa yesusu nyede enkasa
no kre ibu ha no amene
yesusu nkasa o down for nyina ne kasa bebere yesusu nkasa nyina yen fa di yesusu wa hwe ase nyina na o kasa na minim wei na meye wei na mefa ha na masi wei na mato wei nyina na o kasa wa hwe ase nyina yesusu Frankie Begis ka me ho no yese no ono kwa me ho no didi no yese na Frankie beto adwane yensusu nkasa uko mi kuma hafu ahimfiri ko number 1 de me na msiye me na msiye yensusu nkasa ona osi ahimfiri number 1 ahimfiri didi yensusu nkasa o ya hwe ase nyina fapem no kasa ko kasa na di otiri mo pono osusu yeba yesusu nkasa o me call and me finland pe me fa Ethiopia me na ma hwese me business partners na we pe osu ho nyina yebeto ye to wi na yesusu nkasa onyame ya wado to osu ho nyina ogusu kasa na nkwa na wo plans obeto osu obi be siwa chia koto osu obeba no aka akiri yensusu nkasa because brain na ebomu no is getting darker mi chef ya man ko anim na nyame mpembu na pay yensusu nkasa o yensusu nkasa dia ye hukura ne se de wo de owura akɔhye ni musa ono ne obi bia ochocho mucho no se man kwa word no ni uchocho mucho ono kura na wawie asa bibia wahwe ase nyina uchocho mucho na de bae na abo bi ka ofiri nye ntuma no ofira yensusu nkasa the headline for today yensusu nkasa so ni mi ahwembi na ko yensusu nkasa wawari mu nsem nyina bibiri guabonti kasa na oyiri ese oyenye adwane oyiri ese oyiri moa oyiri ese ukun kowinsani ukun adwuma ukun pembo ukun ese yensusu nkasa na Thomas na wo ko kan oyiri asema che no woni mi problem yensusu nkasa o nkuwa mabusu de anyi nkuwa de bia da ekwa ekukuru yensusu nkasa biko kasa dodo na nkasa na nkwane no mensu bom o de bia nkasa yensusu nkasa eno na me be kan dia o se be kevo yensusu nkasa because headlines dodo na ebe nyina de afia man kwa tabakuru na daroma o de bodo na oni o aburu sure ni dodo na mai ba yensusu nkasa unni mo bia friend akọ o kasa dodo udwa wonum dodo e the problems be bro de bia Okasa o, okasa papa. Susu nkasa. Kwa na wako America aba. Kwa na wa nkasa na ntwe na mukwa no, ono na ne podua ne esen ne to de koba. Ono kra na entimi anka ne to. Wo konfo na ede ma 2 seconds hey na ona o se be count. Susu nkasa. Yen susu nkasa. Na konfo no kra podua no jam. Kokotako o de ono ye champion baby a o kasasa o ken kabi on so 6 feet ya na nyina ye ko o nkoda Jupiter e mo bi nkoda Mars na obi abeda Earth esusu nkasa esusu nkasa unima me kai o susu kasa o ya busu apanyi bibia kasasa busu anu se waje aboso esusu nkasa we ase na nkasa nyame nim da ebeti ase na me se ne wo cemetery da ebeti we ase ne wo cemetery ko enioma bi timi sisi enioma bi utimi kenkan enioma bi utimi hunu enioma bi na wa obusa ho se ede pa na ema weesi nti media na se mesu afia mankwa me ko TikTok metu azii fo nyum nyina masem nyina ye asedani nyame nyum to fiama nkwa ezi enyum himsa hodo nyina obato TikTok nyina be kona ye master pampe oni asebia o te okofo hana yedin na sem nyina na ezi efo nyum o ma ki ni kwa na page ni watia o de ko wasem ni sen
abrafe no wako wane introduce you to
no mama ko hu fiama nkwa le double katia wa here
alright
yesu kasa o ya fanya nyum to asena she na me do fo nyina me nim kwa se the voice no otimi to atene nti nyina say wow we fia man kwa ta makulampa
de o yesu kasa o ka ye chaso
oh but ya che obi a de ya ase o de yan kwa che da na sipi onyame adom e da so ti ase de bia da me say ade a de bia me ka fia man kwa sa no pa so ra shwata ade timi she batade na me say erade me da se fia man kwa na abom nkai ba nwumere na me kofi no o sa kai me say se me timi ko sa ko roma tade a me mu nkutudwe nka se yesu e wadom ene ohumobro enye easy yesu nkasa na biribia da aseda na nye kese the lamentations and the complaints are too much too much the bia civil service me jai o ya ba ejuma papa me jai aha multimedia me jai yen susu nkasa e bia o man he o be jai multimedia so da so ginem te be do na nyame kura ti me chira yen susu nkasa kasa e de nyoma bebre ba o yen susu nkasa o de o ye camera ma make botiri ko papa na no ye nua ye ko ye ka ne kakra kra de mo ye kakra wo ye muzu no
je free muzu nkasa ko
muzu no e vie ni tiara o ba serious aba fu afru ba
ne muzu na
that's why we are bibia ko muzu na
ko sa na Tuesday e be you be say na brother
akwadufo nko an no mbuzu kaze ya wutiri ye na aduma ni bias muzu na wo sa ni pa asempa no kofa bo wo sa ni pa ya ye ka wakopia ma no ne a ankeka wo be sori ye na kwa ye aduma
muzu na o da so da sorry na de ache
enya grokra muzu na
yan sorry obi an sorry nko ye na aduma
no go akwadufo kwa 30 abo 30 anje because wo da pia ene na wo nsusu aso me yan say unye mputo bibia beda esusu na the nom da kasa ni nyina ye careful about it ese be to jana pe o mususu ntu nante
ebi mo nante pa
ebi mo nante o
mo nante
esusu kasa so
sande wa Canada
akutia so na ori hwe meni
we na wa de we yamba mi se mususu nante afi de akutia ya wo nante akoye dey
oh ya chamo de eka nyina no ye wo na nibresem wo ho and the DB so share home cran DB stre. Ko we are seeing ankasa o yere bampe pampe ya nkusiaga. Ka unu sa medical honum and we choose ka o say on koma hodo e bedi ago kan see ho na afi pense mu ye dia bro. Insema hodo to jo e de obokatem de brema e ho kwan. Yeah, the air, bro. The Ghanaian Times to say, improving living conditions of Ghanaians, government vows to do more. VIP assures it press. This one, Asian African Consortium partners UCC to boost grain production in Ghana. In Mrs. Adelaide, Arabasian, Japan, and the partners, no, one science, absorb had the FIM over to us and other health programs. Absorb cancer treatment costs nationwide. Dr. Saki appeals to government and once and also able to guarantee if you have to us and come away. So they find that the Democrats say Pring Park BOG Media Workshop didn't discuss Professor Frimpong Boateng and Standards Authority Board Chair, top officials cited for contempt. 44.6% of Ghanaians insured. And once I say ABC News. God Nasarabedia Kumachao. Big one, election 2024. Baumia best to lead Ghana. Kofi Bentel declares. Hey, Ira Kofi Bentel. I see. The new crusading guide. Election 2024. Baumia is the best to run Ghana. Anim Hanem say Ghana to lose $100 million in gold exports by end of April under gold for oil. And then the big one here. Support Africa's transition to green energy. Paul Chum Berima, Doma is to say MP or Bono Modern Pad, Timoso Monkaino, Paul Chum Berima. Frimpong Boateng shifts goalpost on upon Kruma allegation. Dr. Professor Frimpong Boateng, ne Sema Hodo Diabatuja, Efa Nipe Bino to this or more Anamuntu, and one shefa illegal mining hono. On the OGD say if efficacy more or the crata, but when you now shall be your man until the daily guy say Frimpong Boateng's report personal grievances presidency. The big one, killer cop busted on the run, and then police grab Axim Galamsey man, Major Mahama killed protecting Galamsey side. The Chronicle also say the leaked Galamsey report upon Kruma Raw says Frimpong Boateng is shifting the goalpost as the heart surgeon fires another salvo. And Mori cries for help as tidal waves ravage town. If you have
we na Tachima youth no. Morning na ho. Yes, say the super glue no mu inhale. It's the casera. It is some power say no also
super glue now can.
Okata hwene ba kwa no atwene mi. It's all mako manim. Ti e ho Ti e ho asam eno no chief imam so 104 enra. Rade nkoso amwo ho ban emma yensa
Tiri be sumu ne di 110 bi ase ka
eh ni ase Ghanaian dance artists bi
film and who said but ono de nyame ni entertainment there me hu
no so we just all ba dom online kra nsi oba dom online ya obehunu enipa kra ye ken ti aha na be makwan the bonkrata online stories no ye de asie asemi ka e wo ha kwasinsia I crado a wode eto so na afia gudie mu nsam Professor Ike Wallace nso aba na fe nkomo agodo nso wo ho pensem mu nso wo ho twan yesisi a semidika eto so
here twan nkomo nso asema menka say ebra so say semidika ebro Monday to Friday Mamponi this year philanthropist Kuani Ebushapen over efie makomakon wotwe and osai presidential staffer and osai presidential correspondent. The sermon after the holiday. Mama nyina yen kambo mfa hokeka. Enije sonko. Yema da konyo din Nana Prekope Preko. The first. Yema na kwaba. Na kwaba. What
the holiday na wie?
Oh kakra. Oh ni mo onyu de ba ye.
Former head teacher.
Suzuka so.
And I said, no, yeah, former head teacher.
Susu kasa oh Debbie kasa ye kasa. Oh Debbie. Agozi, na no matter say.
Nyame adom.
Good. No other me show.
Yes.
Na me show Mori for mention catch na wen.
Owu a ye friends say mama hwe ne din William V Obri ewu a.
Okay.
Yeah.
Na watonka.
Oh yes.
Obatumatu na mo bia na.
Yes, Oman. Eno e kan Mori. Sa see defense project number for anye no ho.
Na no da na ukai.
Yes. Last week.
Yes.
And e kan wasem.
Yeah.
Director Pacho mame pictures ne niema na assembly ndi akwakoche.
Oh, Adom to anamo.
Oh, assembly to anamo.
Okay.
Ye ya kase, ye kana ya, ye bo abaso.
Okay.
Eti enura ile to just say, o ma assembly sie no. Na otwe mienu mu a.
Okay.
Abanam senior wo abura sebu kwa mankese ya Mori ehye na se onko ho. Na MP enko ho. Na minister, central regional minister onko he. Enura ye wie ya mapa besa no nkono. Ena obi ti am na se wanya ne tie se abura seb kwa mankese assembly nso mo kwa akoche amanfo mo kan ye o Mori wo sa see defense project no ehwo asem apam nam se ne opani de akiri maye
okay
and so mampa empanifo de ose ayoyo
minim nkoma akoso ye do ma se ba de hia na wo kada de ne se bia wona si sa dan na nkasa no a questionable
issue,
you know, and the Ghana for no they be under Mr. Muntia question.
The mattresses and so
we are question in temporal. Ade a wash no.
Oh yes.
And you be in mattress.
And a more
and a baby ada no wa de we boapayom we from so a now they are question buying because a buying this animal e be ban. I am not holding brief for a buy, but the question that's how we have lived in this country. Obia si dan wo bia nsuo wo. Ramsia site TDC for side irrigation. Aban sase bebre so se bebu a te se de ye Accra Kumasi road.
Yes.
E was amasama. When we say BG compensation na di da.
Omo over 10 years. E di awie.
Na nipa boni se mo say won di wie no no say ade ekotonto ama foforo.
Awo. See say wo the way akwa de diabo.
So na for any be mu bia so.
Abanam senior wo abra save kwa mankese. Mo ya ade. But
why be bad ne kra ne say assemblies sometimes. Almost so modern born etosi.
Yes.
I did BBC and sana wakofa aqua water sashi and the baby padding. We. I said the party as I say we any.
That is it. We are temperate.
Yeah, it's a that's it. Even though now somebody now say uniska. It when kwa no budget ma bro ma bra so mo timi we kono.
Ku papa no kra boa.
Can you see?
Yes. Etiaja also ya das nyame enhira
pa. So
but no na ka na say man say kroma for na iso magis komo yes defense project no.
They can't do that. They don't have a right.
Yem person be ye be first case ko wu agu.
They don't have a right to do that.
Assembly no koje na kroma for ne mo on person boa no mo fa ta assembly na chi.
Just be so kwasi ka kire omo. Uye kromania na o simple na konya kapra konya their friend is defense for. What you say? Do you know what goes into that at the end also? And obviously all car breaks in mortar now kasi na gra. Now they are blocking you.
Yes.
Please.
Data, first for me call my job online. What am I comedy na
kasa. DNSCB.
What if I run my job online? Oh, Debbie, anyway. And thank you. Oh man, where's your difference to baso? At Tabubu. Yachire matron. Any ni pan nine. Yes, school aduane a ban. Ehwo ye dendia ma ba se be nyade akoboye ma no. Edru school na matron no etwe na nadwede suom ekoton. Ma me video no storehouse e ba so story daily guy story ni so. Ma me video na menkyere ahwefo ade bi sesiye. Hwe u TV no so
yache no.
Yache no. O man yache oni ni pan na matron. Patama that time video no. Baby omudi free storehouse onom ne baby omudi ekogu tracks no nyina ma sa video
omutwe cost
omutwe free storehouse baby e din kwada na dia na koku
omudi ko school fufuro na se den
omukoton oni school fufuro be ye di se krom akwa koton
David mon check me sure because we dey unya kokuduro emokro no atise we dey be at the next school no or the next district no omo short to dey have to
school for the supply school for aduane and around 6 p.m. Na ye do be 8 p.m. video ya e bae. Ye the track si wo no man. Ye twene ma.
E bia de wo kan on ti de. Enye se bia me di wachi. Me che we no omo twene we.
Hwade.
Omo twene school mo.
School mo.
Na me kire se bia de call the next school.
The next school bay. School mo abaye dua na nsen kwa na dua no wa ye.
Enye ma do ro e.
Yes. Odi kokrom akoton. na me se be ma stories upon stories near NCC pain when you see now chimu who your TV ni so live on Facebook Adom TV YouTube is Adom TV social TV no show live on Facebook when you aduane aban ya ko school see informa ye mofra eni matron ese there be ono dia won pedi sa ye ma common nkwada no tama aduane no akwa akoto na bonten that famiko daily guy quickly na me nwa esie famiko daily guy na mention arefo ade bi wo daily guy na asem krona bi eno so sipeki senior high school GS Samuel Speki headmaster storekeeper over stolen for that about 2020 that akọ akra oh akra thank you Monday January 13 2020 and as I say we see aduane e de akosi enfama yema no aduane e de akosi enfama yema 2020 na headmaster ni storekeeper eton last one bacho oh what close we so 2017 ena Ashanti region schools mark 53 ye chiro so eton aduane a aban di ko schools mu no eti mu amuto no edi o man Ghana abro sei ani mutuo edi Ghana abro sei ye aduane ba na motam na moton ye aduane ba na motam na moton a day because we be bo aban subonti GS ni Ministry of Education sumza maye because esi esi na twa na papa bia ho e de ma krofo atem okrom ade mu a kanipa no besua nyansa o kire beto aso edi dia kwese ya agude mu nsem eto aso ama
TV so Adom TV so bedwonjuma die so dia o kesi hu sempa esa kana no pensu jam dindi Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back pe the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Alrage na Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya ekono quantum credence maudo ensa kana no pensu biu e Ghana gudiem ejaw shane so mam se nyuma koni amiensa wo na abom skadwete me na no pe yeden kumon eba one expert I've always told you that betting there is better than sakawa yan se utwan befu no wadin befu san se bet there mara kakra ho bet with money that you can afford to lose sika se be yando e yere nya wo ya no eno ani di twa bet afensu kwa wadi bet no withdraw 90% of winnings na nyesa dia abesa dia kohyem na ajeje usa na afelewu na se kana ba fi nemum open bet dia we na achi no 1x bet abusu diska ko bi eja hempa se nya hwe obetia tabri seke ya boys be moska na afi onso wetia sa dia kuguso na se de ketwa ekopre kese no 1x bet wo mu aya de se na no easter no a na afi sala nso eno an ye de preparatory boa e ma niama etia ko ji fast mr do tashwi infection said do gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so di po na chewa on set me ka jefase bitia boa na jefase do no odipo akra de gesi bo ha so nyo odipo a oroni pito ha bombu budan so bo modern da so on sabitimi aka jefase ko herbal shops and pharmaceutical shops in them on sabitimi aka jefase bitia boa prapra hara no mrebo ho ama wetime di nchini ache ana afi sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel few pampas be pimo na se ye kan ya odi pain etu ase yi firi ho ne boa e ma niam 1822 ye de ma opesa product bia okwa shama soja fo no gusu ho de batu benya bi ato afezu de wani 18 san kire e tema so a edro ni bi wo ha betia to na boa e ma niam etia ko ye de ma se utu na de aya ho ana se utu akoton no obetia fe 0208219129 na on a sedimo gel and roll on phone pay for intwetwe nkomo ye hwe mo e ma niam 1822 ye enfama a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with the very first step yensha se enfam fi Italian Serie A akensi no so 18 dwa no so memeda Kumase Eshase on the 20th of May and as such within ebetia baso any question na afi so nyame adoma on the 4th of June 2023 at me edi akwawie pa coach Yusuf Bazigi on the kita sa team no master tia usisi ebetia samboa na Ghana etme peja sa franka no so gina kunkun ordinary musisi ho nkomo kakra so eja nsenchofo.
We went round to scout for players during the league matches and bringing the potentials together. So looking at the task ahead, we have very limited time, and already we have some household names. Fortunately, we have some household names in the team that is under 20, and also very good potentials in the under 17. Immediately we are going to blend them together to raise a formidable team, especially now that we are hosting. We need to do all that we can to impress Ghanaians, to live up to expectations. So this one, I don't even need the FA to give me a target. I know what it takes to...
Steve Basigi, head coach, the Black Princess of Ghana National Under-20 female side, no, and ordinary Komo A2 for the first edition of the Wafu B. Omo girls are Kensi Kesi Betty and Sabasu Kumasi, ya, and Yamia Domas are Kensi in the Betty and Santo Femunyeska, now wait me as I Akosha Kens Kesi in Mano, Elbo Modi Yepa, Mujumedia, Wom Egusu, still El Kumasano, Kumasi Krobia Santikotoko, Womoni Adriana Stars, Ujamanantino, and a dear Kens Kesi the 10 times with 27 of the Ghana Premier League, na Enika, Adriana Stars, Ujamanantino, and a Kotoche de Kane, Elhon Kotoko, Betete Kano, Elsa Kens Kesi in Sash, Adriana Stars, Elsa Jumedi, 20 PM, na Abdul Ghazali, on a Ketika Kuchukita Kumasi as Santikotoko, or Chese as a league, no, you cruise you to the end of the league, dear, and so GD passing Yadoma, Kotoko, and catch the moment, so betting a Pija Frank and Jana Kunko, no Mama Bunsuano, at Kumasi.
But we still have about 7 matches to go, and you see what happened. All those who were at the first 4, they all drop points. So anything can still happen. We are now moving to the 4th place, and I strongly believe that if we are able to continue this way, definitely we are going to get to the top of the table.
Next stop is in Sogakope against a relegation-threatened Great Olympics. How are you looking forward to that one?
Well, they are not so bad, but unfortunately they are at the bottom of the threatened place of the relegation zone. Let me put it that way. But we are not going to joke with it because we have our aim. Our aim is to get on top of the table. Definitely, we are not going to take it easy. We are going all out against Olympics again to see how best we can get that 3 maximum points in order to also catch up with those who are ahead of us.
Nti Abdul Ghazali nanka okotoko youth side a oboma ne ma tiansa kwene mu asem to kotoko no makoyi na fi odi aba obwa ema senior side no so ne ama etia tutu ye dia mom enkwadua na stars na doma hene team no na ohwe doma PC team ya omso bo modern pom ne dasro e league log no so with 47 points na pa kwesi Fabian ono anakita sa team after so ono so di ntwo e Kumase babanya na sports stadium no ne nkoma ono so edija eni.
Oh yes, we are still on course because we are still leading with 3 points. We're going home, and then definitely we're going to win at home. So we'll see what happened. Oh yeah.
Yenko Bechem United say Bechem United fon so abeda to ope amhwe anim se kwan bia so beti ahuri na omo ede akosoro nti omo da league leaders na se pay out team sampa Ghana's Dangote Agama the team no omo airborne holding 2 matches se ko Barcelona Stars eslepo hwe na se omo ahuri akoda soro ho na Kasim Okansi Mengel woni coach panyipo okita sa team omo hya se no na se goals no omo twe a emba goals ni na aka kwantu mo ewo Bechem ene de omsi bibia eda bokwa omo hwe anim se omo ensakrai na aboa Madam Comedian Ebikwa almost abeji league no.
The purpose of this game is to promote the FIBA 3-on-3 because of Bagana.
We beating the former champions. So we have a lot. We beat Qatar, we beat House of Hope, who has beat Midiama. All those are bad, but we beating all of them. So we can win.
What is your secret at this venue?
No, everybody is strong in his home. So when you sit in your house, somebody comes and beat you and your children in your house, we'll be happy. So that play, this play you come, you will fall. No matter who you are, when you come to this pitch, you go.
Kasim Okansi Mengel Bechem United for coach or see if you dear Obuada Obankwandi abeti ahwe mu fi ho na omatimi asa kusekusa onye sa padia untimi enye hwe honum na ne de ne tiansa kire mu bio no basketball competition kese pa no so beti abaso ye friend say 3v3 na say 3-on-3 na 3-on-3 ye ko basketball ma ye bono 5 aside uhwemu ne sene Mexico so na say 10 players ana e pitch no so but enei FIBA form paying for the session kwetiansa ba yetimi ebo 3 players ewo each edema team bia wutwumedi amudine no ana presec league onkwala amunima de nei omse omde homa na beto nchen kaka na foma san tiesi magoma so omachira manfo say ka basketball dia Ghana de obi anti omaji se bia otafro abatwe enra ye ne presec nkwala nkuma etime san twen kom che say hopes and health any tier eda omo hihye so nkokom de baso maton sadia fe other schools o meka ho omo fa sa competition etime san 10 times so me da bai ana surgery de ne ebetian san to ja second cycle institutions no omo ehwenim say basketball agudie no ehon santran betre Ghana hye so anyina na nkomo twetwe a epie bie no so eni.
The purpose of this game is to promote the FIBA 3-on-3 Cause of Bagana, especially in high school now, you said that I'm both 3v3 mostly 5-on-5. But goal ni aspirations is a be promoted 3-on-3. And most importantly, spreading the awareness of drug abuse among athletes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And it can't 3v3. I know it.
3v3 ni a game tournament between 3 people against other 3 people, so it's basically 6 people on the court.
Oh, okay. On the court, no. But normally, normally under normal circumstances, nipa in the court, so like with football, 11-11 to 22, and I'm a boy.
Yeah.
And see on a normal basketball competition, can nipa in the park, so.
On a normal basketball competition, I was saying 10 people.
10.
Yeah, 5-on-5.
Okay,
yeah.
5-on-5.
But here they 3-on-3.
Okay, we person more introduce 3-on-3.
3-on-3. Yeah.
Okay, 3-on-3 in FIFA.
3-on-3 FIBA started around 2007 September.
Wow.
Yeah, but as a Ghana, how say Africa and high schools now more nine names are
Oh, okay.
More nine name rules ne some marriage. Yeah, go and say best spread this no more.
Okay.
But continue share say Greater Accra region.
Okay.
With time because I'm more pregnant, I saw the school gave me the permission, everything. So this Saturday, 29th of September, you're about to start everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's the very first time I'm on this
first edition ever.
First edition?
Yeah, but
okay.
Yeah, aim is our aim is to like spread it around Ghana. It should be like something that will be everywhere, every region.
Among the second cycle institutions.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Additional tag among
tag man your hoops and health. So hoops and health is we are raising the awareness of drug abuse, or among athletes, especially anti-doping. If you see a spread this more because I say athletes need to use drugs. Normally they be boss. I don't know. Yeah. Say here's some experts be or anti-doping. I've been normal because about
okay, so why did you choose anti-doping? Because second cycle institution you may be Zebia present for be among more your problems within the second cycle institution fraternity, first saying be a more tackle bit. Why did you choose anti-doping from your level?
So this is our first ever. So we chose anti-doping because now me hear like from NBA and FIBA and San I say Ebinum can say on steroids or say like say. So when we came to our level because okay and yes your first ever edition you focus on anti-doping so be able to educate people on Sanima. But we will have other editions I also talk about other aspects.
Okay. Internet say I'm for very can register. Time and I will be registration.
Yeah, registration will be on a
Friday.
Yeah.
Saturday. It's Friday. People are free to come and register.
Yes.
Yeah, the schools are invited. No.
Okay. 10 schools someone invited.
Register.
Oh, okay. The schools may.
Motown. You Achimota. You was St. John's. Laboni. You Accra.
You
Kimbu, Accra High, Chimu, Osu Presec Legon.
Okay. Into Osu Presec Fonso can. And I'm only Legon Presec. Okay. Osu Presec Legon Presec for one heavy.
Oh,
nti ne pie mu no we David Nyameche ana fe Kalepodo yebo a wo presec student I can basketball mu di makotene pa no mo hwe nim se kwan bia so betime introduce 3-on-3 no na me adoma e bedi achi na fere se na ma ebisi akoso e de ma dwumedi na feedie wo mo eche so mo hwe anti-doping kwan amanfo fa so num nu bone na o mo didi agro no o mo ehwe nim se eso betia sa bra senti ho education ana o mo edeba e be koso ade extensive coverage na tien se ja na fo se na ma ebisi akọ el presec fo nkwalai o dade e manante no o mo dwumedi a o mo eguso edino but yen komu biom na afi yen hwe se na ma esi ekode a na esemedusia na madawase mama mu ene hwe high still Adom TV Adom TV so ana weneguso a uhwe nyumaku no 1xbet o mo na etachira abo medicine abrel na afi je fast semester enso ebo echidom ana sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel o mo na etachira bedu sam pempenso a ye de nkomoyi 8 abrel me de Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace a good catch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and I'm Jimmy of course evidence-based sports presentation tv radin tinanima anya okese onyi fi bia ni da so ni na onfan ko bia ni da so the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.
Adom TV Badwam na Oshana Kudiemon some Professor Ike Wala said Yakogo Yamishano Yadana se papa pana made a birthday wish no and na eba so for audio my dear near unipani to me show the picture. I Shannon son say every day no ya wo yem birthday celebrants are ye celebrate omo. Inti month of April obia the unim ni bia now the picture ba ni din aba baby owo na just ya wish na kama dia mom na ansa na no Ghana Statistical Service one monthly report bia won dia ba fa malaria hono ma me monitor fa emfa emma na eba malaria cases wo man Ghana mo no nyame adom be enfiedu entemi ni de yara abafom nemom se okọ yenkronkuma no emu a na hono akosro like times 3 ewo urban areas no yenkronkuma no mode chidi yade malaria no yade se akọ ye esro ye papa from 2022 Ghana Demographic and Health Survey no womde to just say malaria prevalence ewo enkra from 6 months equal 59 months no eno ye 8.6%. We no ye microscope results are one more a day aba na wo hwe emu enso a enkronkuma mu de no eno ekosoro 12.8%. Yeah, what the etoto banana se nkro akese mu a eno ye 4.3%. Ye ka regional malaria yade muawa no ewo efomo pa no Greater Accra 2.0%, Western North 4.4% and Volta 4.6%. Na highest one no baby malaria yade no ewo sro pa no oti mantam no mu 15.0% and upper west region 13.4% and upper east region 12.2%. Ehono mo ewo sro ye papa panti wo se ye hwe na ye boye ho ba de kodie potinti ma oti upper west upper east chidi yade ewo sro kese pa ewo ho no ewo se nyina ye hwe ne ye toto ye ne mayi na chidi yade no se de Ghana nyina etimi aba from no regions na wosro no eno so betimi aba from ye de ama ye na ye ba no ma pemfo ya won so enya chidi yade na no so nyame anim ni na domunti aba from ode toto 2019 na ema efefura wo munya chidi yade ye 3.3%, wo 2022 mo no akọ 2.4%, which is no so etimi aba from na highest region no oti 7.0 na Savannah region wo so 5.4 wo so de no wo so mapemfo a wo achidi yade no ewo wo emo Greater Accra form Greater Accra no so form na mantamo enkai amamo mudin no so form ohamunchemu edu no so de no OPD cases ye recorded 6.1 million Ghana nyina na edibesi 2022 no na just about 5.2 million Mamprusi no one north east region no de no ewosro OPD no enti no awosi ye hwe ye hu ye chidi yade no nyame yabo ye hu modern but regions ni bi ohono mu a eno akosro enti tontom duro adan ya hye na duro no obi ampe bi apemfo no tichiu na chese to net ni bi na modem no abo ho ban fe atidi oba apemfo a malaria sa hawa adwene ya na hadwenti yen hye no nso obi anye de a ese efata na gata no nso a efia yemu mano yentiti mu yama hunedie enkoso konku a yatutu agu ne nsuo tatem pai entontom so ho nti mumme yenhwe hu yenkran de oma bom ho modern nti oti ne upper east upper west no samansama for mu start na yenye adwuma no gata ni mu bolla no ne tata ho basabasa mumme yenhwe na yemo ye ho ban fi etidi yare no wo ho bankrafo ayade Greater Accra onomo
on the beat. Nti na Kofi Kenyatta baby our latest squad was abo aka hono. Nti tell my baby onim Kofi Kenyatta nti no amana enjoy sa no. Na waka champeduna bibi biatimi akokama. E de fiama nkwatama kulase ana eye Professor Ike wala se da ono so ase okwanso nkoso. Ebra so se de pense mu ne bro ma menka o se Franco Trading Enterprise Adaroma ana face Safari Tissue ana Richoko and Zest Consult one other room and yɛde come away a day bro yɛka Zest Consult no adeɛ baako ɛsɛ sɛ wote aseɛ na wohunu so sɛ ɛbiribi ada yɛka Zest Consult a na deɛ tie ni Zest Consult no ono ma ɛyɛ akwankyerɛ ne nteteɛ ne nimdeɛ ne suahunu obi bia bɛsɛ o real estate mu ɛno akyi automobile business no na IT solution services no Zest Consult ɛboa ɔkwansoronko so ebi so na opening dia akɔtɔ nso hwɛ sɛ SAT and GRE and IELT and no ebe kwansoronko so kra until Zest phone kasa na bibibia enko kama emma ono actually nipa over 4,000 ona mo munim de nurse for ne midwife for so ono abo no yia ma ona kwanto on ko UK ni US no etimi adimu yie pa Zest for semen ka se Kumasi ono cultural center eno achi so de chem so ono ben Kumasi airport roundabout nti wa open him the upper kwanche open tete the other transfer the other year adwuma foforo bi construction IT and as a real estate and automobile Zest for say one hot emma or kwansoronko so Fred 055 563 163 and as a 050 9092 2330 no what me no edi nkita ho ene de yakasi yedi Franco ho dance ya wakasa nim dada one other room and they say TV say air condition say phone ahodo nyina iPhone Samsung Nokia ni nyina won e ball kwansoronko so ma bi ati makokama e de amount Franco for other room also say so kwansoronko so kra say up air condition if you 1.5 horsepower copy 2.5 and a TV no so smart TVs no 32 inches copy 65 inches one e ball kwansoronko so kra Franco say menka o say obetima from one homa so 0246 422 338 or 055 939311 no team no one edin kita home Franco trading app no so on Google Play Store no obetimi ni one edijuma na say obetimi akọ one website www.francotradingenterprise na what team no one akasa ma me wish eye adofo binim aye a happy birthday wa ma say presby so for panya wo omra ne ne onso onyeso ne onchia bibia na eye bibia be fine it is of panya oda wa ma say presby asafunum anti comfort me mama enemy ni menua me na enano pay. Yeah, we show a happy birthday, Sonko. In the happy birthday, soft pain. A jiri say, Onyame, Ebekoswa, your Cassia, my BBI, come at the amount. Sound so, me and what fast, also, Udi Wawoda, what fast, many, oh, my no papa, ya can't boom. Mr. and Mrs. Badwam, Mr. and Mrs. Badwam. Badwam construction neba me wo fa se prekope Pamela Amankwa Ada Badwam Pamela also happy birthday Sonko and come if you ma me no papa ho Mr. and Mrs. Badwam ana wo fa o man hene kwabna santi onyamenka ho na on showden na ya da Macedonia Presbyterian Asafo ewa Franco Kumasi mo so kofitonto ne ma me free mu mfiedu na system na no na ba so Macedonia Asafo Presby Asafo onyame nhiramu na onkoso enyam kase na project a modesi mo to complete God's building no entimendi mu na enwi peyo kofi tonto zunu nuanum nyina onfira ma no ne beka ho kai mo ma me 10 years celebration still people were crying chere ma radin fa ne kra NCE na edono strong kokra nti edamu nyina mo so ambejae no State House in paying power virus and precious minerals and so young man very hard working energetic man also no deputy edamu nyina amase and a lot of people kojo upon kroma ani ani our Metro TV ni mo amukaka nyina no erade enka mo nyina mo titu years of penya oda Macedonia Presbyterian Asafo a Franco. Okay, yaba back to studio there. Yenya eye miracle atnasi Dennis miracle Abuaji atnasi
Omai
there is a kwaba
Jose senior
baby I free fashion you know omo dey wi ana
say you quite dey afin you start to prepare for say you fashion no August September
ana
say no August September ho no ye no
di mu ndi bia
ye di ba ko no ewie ma afia ba ye prepare for another one.
I see.
Say last day in September. It's very soon. I'm sure in the next month or so.
No. We'll be no.
You be butu adai ban on noise making.
Noise making.
In about 2 months.
Can follow what they say.
Say you ban.
Must be ban.
Oh yeah, ban for almost about.
How do you corporate assembly for the bus am where they?
Oh, ntokwani ho. You hold them ntokwani obi ati ase. Asa ha na mo no mo ye.
Gidi aso
dey. Say mo no ha no.
We free.
Yeah, to your communities we cry because just Tuesday be a yendi ebreduane.
Still.
Still. Tuesday be a yendi ebreduane. Maybe be a brono maybe free mono. A boss say wo fufu.
Wow.
Into be wo fufu by 5:59. No way we. Obi aso ti ase obi ankodi ho change o. Yet say wo bot tim a.
Ye be chiwo.
Oh yeah, asafo ehene mo ne mo bebe fi abeje wo ma ne fufu ne nkwan ni na akọ. Ene do mo be dey ni. Dia omo de ko dey ni. Na mom
ba jiji ombeji.
Oh your bosses dey tim. Wo ha na refi ho.
Jiji ombeji.
E kwa omo fa so omo te kura say ye wo fufu fi obi ni. Ba nya ye tim after 6 omo ba no ma beje. Wo ma no ne fufu no ne nkwan ni nyina ne de ko. De omo de ko ye de. E de ye dim. Ebi omo ko ma na no.
Ose ombeji ba de omo de be de.
Ai. Iti ban ko so pa. Ye wo period bi so a. A place ban on yam eating.
By the
day. A betran.
More interesting calendar.
Time no so an ye bie. Nti sada no obia bitumi de. Sa time no so ne e ban ya unhu bayere ba kokura bonte.
Really?
E wie na se kasa fe de to be di bayere no obia.
I see. Honorable, good morning. What's it? Belated birthday dedication to Oyonko Bakopa Era Yawampo for National MPP National Council member. Mikrum. So Era Yawampo for Eduse if Era a year Honorable I or say a belated birthday another Diwa Oda na anoda. So a year a belated one. Inti ababak bako kumawaba.
Yep.
Right?
You're prepared.
Maybe I could come.
I said
more prepared towards it, but the NDC, me sure say mobile how more quiet private behind. No more could jacket with no knowledge. You say they are loose. That one there's absolutely no doubt.
Me engine is almost loose. Say about.
Oh, they say oh dear. Okay. The way they are research and now say back away across chrome. The NDC knows that they need to fill the candidate just for fielding sake. And you know, minimum.
My policy is and then who central, but
the whole number kono. What they call say?
Some more example. You be a whole central. You have to contest near winning.
And I was only call
the one who are quite a home. When would
win anyway?
I would win him quite. Now there will be say Ghana for no more by the number two.
No, but who win anyway?
You who do you offer MBA?
Oh, miracle.
Oh my.
It's like you are telling me that the NDC is going to win.
MP no. And resign near by election and just hearing you. What would you
so and this bit maybe no
my would we near Kuhuana?
Me share who are quite there. Who are just must have a quan a
who quite na cook who couldn't fin. Na who central market.
Did you said Mobaji city?
Now be the internet Ghana for Toba. Almost they are all party
vote now.
Now the two say they are equals no one and told me the omono at the paba ombe. Maybe sasa maybe sasa ena me say NDC for to say we can name mo nka so mo nko mo mra ne enko ne enko ya account
dem say ya mamre keke
David come who for this how omo dey they are obeti we to about
ena me che say e di na ya o say NDC kokumo wa ko
asanteman bepi mo ne omo dey they are where ya mom ne to aba now Peter dey say wini hohoi e wini na wini ho central hohoi oh, now you vote to do the man this. Yaje ho you. Now the end to central. What am sound am he? Yaje ho 2020. Yaje ho because who ho na on my cronum as a way East Cantonment. roads, Aquine, Akania, Koshe Hohoi Market, Hohoi Industrial Enclave, Ayaya Mom.
So are you saying that
is the reason why they voted for
voter region?
I'm aware you need. Why do you think they voted for Amewu? They voted for Amewu.
An exceptional case.
No, it wasn't. It was as a result of the work that has been done. You see, Hohoi was a typical classic example of Uye Jumana Nipanini Someto Obama. Yeah, Omaya media grow. MPP ya media grow. Share your how be brave. You were downside. But then the whole year sanity. Who sees baby no? Or best struggle or other places. But not just say media grow. You really Hohoi. Or the far open. You for ballot box in Kosi who central. Any who were some put him one. Near to see really sitting more. Met me a baby to say beer. Adaklu. You bet to me a challenge kakra. Because omo kwan bi na connect kokoro mu no. Yenya yinwie. But here kwan no mo mbesi ato ababa.
I see.
Omo nipa no, omo sorry kwa konkoye line. The Ghanaian voters, they don't just get up and go and queue say beto aba. Omo kokoye line to aba e mo nkoso. And that's what Hohoi did. Say ni omo nyehu say, oh, party we and aban we e wo ye nkoso e wo mutim no makomema. They will deliver the results. Inti menjin this akumewu no say because omo MPP for into omo to aba MPP. Omo to aba MPP because MPP has shown them over the years if we omo mpanin kofo abreso bepim na say omo de omo bato omo MPP a omo nya ho so asopa. That's what we are looking at, and I can tell you say Hohoi was just one. Now we are reading Hohoi as a whole into
well
Hohoi win and this for so be back omo
kind of income share the political and commercial reality
they am from commission in 20. But now they are not with an example. And
I'm saying that voter region je mu say BBC voter region
na Hohoi won say BBC you go 2020 na say BBC you go 2020 o there you go 2020 na say BBC
so you know Kumawu. So what is it about Nala and the winning and about me and the win? What's about that?
Oh, when they say Mugu or my friend, what do you say on my politics near you know? It do be a pressure and tension woman. If you grow film na ma tension that
they are good.
Oh now no my abane ekoto ye no ye de ba mi ane ala ne adan ni mu ne ekoto ye. The people of Kumewu party for no. Our more representative party na the police station eko. Na omo mu no. Omo yi ba ko. A omo gidi say so omo de ne di party ne nimu a Kumewufo nyina omo ye party for no omo ye party for nyina beto manipa no so I just say na omo akoto abeyi omo nipa ba ko na eba ne se na ebe ye ba omia ne ala na omo te Kumewu.
I see
omo te Kumewu so what e friend say Ernest enim so what in statement and release no o say or no de e Kumewu nkabom so I just say sa e hom mogu ne de what is ala na kasa ana what is say ba omia kasa ana what is say adani mu akasa omo mo ne na mo no omo kasa no ko mo kra omo alla ne ba omia no committee omo nko bi omo ntimu bi omo ntimu bi enti enje no nto je say mbogu
na mo first vice ana say when e ko gina bi onya 10 no when mo first vice
obi abo no ngodi omo na 10 vote ya rekito
well from this lady
omo 10
must say well from
educationist one educational consultant
the first time I did baba ni
I will not be able to tell
181.
No 181 and 10. Send you April.
Oh.
So be a winning.
Oh, yeah, Cocash.
No, my 10 ninja regato.
Dr. Boajisu, no, I say, no, the question from 27.
No, my walk over to that. Once I have been your vote, will be a contested president. Maybe your two about the battle about when you one.
Hey, what Makai PHP?
Esket. Yeah, you know, no, ma. Eto aba no nya one.
Ha cross be nya bi kra.
Onya one. Na presidential promise here no 2007. O my 2007.
Yeah.
Ebi ma nya 2 ne 1. Mi wa the police station oto aba the chrome police, the chrome constituency for be 2 bi.
Okay.
Ono kra we agent.
So interesting. Kwame Appiah could be 10. Da Costa Boaje 27, Amasewa NT 181, Ernest Yawanim 195, Osei Shre Kwame Bempa, non occupy there 5. Hey. Anyway. Tumba chwa banda be.
say we friend easy for that share maybe to May 23rd.
I am a friend say na kwesi say.
Oh man nyame adom yeguso. Nyame adom yeguso say a friend saying I am for no cry kasa aka say the thing say Ghana your boy a modern plan and taking very very difficult decisions to be able to get to where we have gotten to. In the next few weeks, you know, I think in the next week or two, you know, they've given an assurance that once they get an indication from some of our external debtors, you know, even omunya assurance kekempoa, say omudi hon koma, they are willing to take the proposal to the board level for approval.
But where we are now is very worrying.
Oh yes. I'm send from day one send the
yeah, depressing now.
Oh yes, whatever it is, you know, I think that is what leadership is all about. Oh, leadership, and yet the absence of problems. Oh,
solving problems.
How you solve problems. I said anything you, and I said, oh, how be anyone saying you can do for? So I just say, I mean, which country is not depressed right now? UK, they're going through depressing situation with a lot of labor issues, human resource shortage, high cost of living. US, they're going through very difficult situation. And say, Kamala, Kamala Harris, and say, what's one statement to them? She was very, very clear. Say this global crisis, you know, it's affected all of them, including the United States of America. They are seeing an all-high, if any say inflation. 40 years, won't be that. So I just say, and now I know, because dollar needs to see the dollar and across the globe. It's under threat. So I just say the Ivory Coast, a few days ago now, you do 2 years so Russia and Ukraine affected. Almost all IMF, almost Togo for new mood So I just say, so many other countries across the world are running to the IMF simply because shocks in our economies, you know, are suffering. And your shocks are obia any and that's also day or experience. No, my Ghana in particular, no, nobody had ever said, now you do the American resilience level. Now your economy in baby Ojan and I, so we're still fixing it. And that is why this government in particular, when we came, we said the fundamentals are weak and that we needed to fix the fundamentals. In fixing the fundamentals, it doesn't take 1 year. It doesn't take 2 years. It doesn't take 3 years. It takes a process. Industries need to be fixed. We need to work gradually to balance out our tax to GDP. We need to gradually work to balance out even taxes do edge any emudo do edituya edumayefo ehoka. We need to balance out our human resource situation. We need to balance out unemployment situation. Enti so me ha nka kra na dey fix it. Ye gusu aye yes ade o man ye gusu aye fix ni am between 2017 and 2020. Ye gusu aye ade na a week. Ye gusu aye na covid ni ehun sensem e bae.
So those who continuously say makoshe covid just to give those excuses, they're very flimsy. Makoshe Russia and Ukraine more shifted from the main issues, which are mismanagement and other matters. What do you tell them?
It's because we haven't scrutinized their statements. So they be scrutinize it, and you see the fact that nipa hocheno na say obi but if you put them on the spot and scrutinize them, they won't have any leg to stand on. I mean, what is mismanagement? I'm say about say remember. Now, but see, say each of the loans we contracted in Parliament, for a purpose. What I say, and this is for loan line be I can say, loan some of the Kumasi airports. That year Kumasi airport here. It is kind of way. What is someone come back? So maybe also be yes argument na metina say because on mine na ye chiche no. Ye de yesika anka ebi tumi de aye kwan no. Yes, ye de hwe Ghana for mba no motumi akọ school free. Yesika na anka ya agye na anka ebi tumi de aye kwan no. Ye de hwe Ghana for mba no motumi akọ school free. Ene ye nkobo besi ametu ya nkola ne school fees o. Sika anka ye de be ma Ghana for mba no motumi akọ nursing and training college no. Ye say ye de hwe Ghana for emma no mako school free. What it means is that sika na ye de be ya kwan, sika na ye de be si airport, sika na ye de be si school na ama nkola na kotrem. Sika na ye de be ye niama bebre, sai sika na ye say ye ko jibo sika na ye de be den. Ye de be ye se na ye be bitumi ahwe Ghana for mba. Opa, young say free SHS amma. Sen ka sas kana dey ahwe free SHS no. O man ke betumi dey aye kwan na eda mekru mu no. So I just say, e kwan na eda ho na ya no. Sen ka yen ko jibo si amfan ye. Anka dey sas sika na dey su ankora no kan no e be ye. We had the choice. Ye asaban ye fee say there be. Nkola dey da achi. The future of this country depends on the youth and how the youth will turn out in the future no would affect a kwanya or mine no ebe fa so ejira the nanso anase be ko nechi wo man wo nti sa na te dia sika ye gege no ye fa sa sika no ehwe nkwala no ye de sika no hwe nkwala ndi o man se ne ya ka ne se ye pesca de be ya kwan se ye pesca de be sisi school dan. That is why a bank kokoje bosia almost about $1 billion Emma gets fund some faces school dan. The question is sa $1.2 billion na ye koje ye no anye bia what is omo kasa na be ka kire say ye first school dan na Oma yakoji bosia say ye de kwakoye e friend say overpass and I say overhead say na friend anye bia ye mfa ye ya na yaje bosia ye de airport Sunyane Tamale Kumase anye bia ye mfa ye ya na say me ka tia say ya first kase ye de see hospitals mako 111 anye bia sasika no ye mfa ye adwuma ye say ye de ya na. So we are still trying to promote private people to set up businesses because of my situation we me sika ye jeje wo man ni mu nyina say ya jeje e friend say e to nyina no ye the 60 to 70% etu edwuma ye fo nka. What it means is that ye ankasa as of mine no sika ye to me jeje no ye nya na dodo a ye betumi de yes anya ma mabobo so nyina ya yi. And how do we do it?
But say no, there's various schools of thoughts. I can say say you see a cry as of my bride woman say enye bra a papa nintino. There are a lot of things we also have to look at and just win ourselves away. That's why the NDC in Parliament, Rezi, no, they were so very forceful. Say a ministers man paying power no. Now they are too. They were not going to do that.
On say, it's hard to say. Omo kasa and some omo kasa and some can scrutinize you omo. And I will scrutinize this one now ko BBO until they get away with it. O my yeah, your friend is a Bernard Champion minister, then I work your mind.
Also a cafe.
That is the truth. Bernard Champion a member of parliament for BTV. Meboa. O my need to yana honka meboa. O my na Bob Bernard Champion honka. Dada. Now, mami kase michiro. Every member of parliament or a minister on another dank we kufa do abemu bia onje aketua foforo bia nka ho ne aketua no member of parliament aketua na demand and this is verifiable so what you say onje aketua sonku bia nka the member of parliament aketua na demand no. The next question is that a ministry of agriculture no some no ka say what chief director so ye wo ye fe ne say cars where ye adwuma e say ye agric ho adwuma meboa enti say Brana Champo ni ministry of agric na say directors no nkwa na wo kra say anopi say so mutu kwa no mkwa hafo no mkwa hwe mfu ho adwuma so mbeko omkwa omontofu o enti what is the difference?
So a justification of sad and say because it doesn't add more than
it doesn't.
But it adds some coins.
How much? That is you see the significance. Yeah, economy in some.
But say no drops no getting.
They said have they been able to show you? That's what you see. Until I say we scrutinize na ABBO.
But we have to.
But it doesn't bring.
No, we have to because say ya ntie ho ase.
It doesn't bring.
Yeah, the new maybe koto abonten. Yeah, see abayin tin so for so.
It doesn't bring any additional cost. My example. Let me give you a classic example. Ebi mu ka say I don't know monka communications direct ministry any information ministry here there. Okay. Could you upon chroma fati and a war information. Eslewusu and honorable Poma and a war communication. To Kabumwa. The idea is our Kabumwa, not just a minister also at okay. Eslewusu ake you your no GSMP. As MP. Poma ake you your no GSMP. Kojo upon chroma ake you your no GSMP. Nti yemfa ne se akasa ministries me no abom. Na wa pamo kojo upon chroma ene fati. Onye he because
aketua no ombeje
no ombeje dada. Ebiem sa ministries me no e se adwuma omo yesisi no nyina be koso aye. The fact say wa pamo kojo ene poma ne nkyere say Ministry of Information egu. The Information Services Department will be there. New Times Corporation, Graphic Corporation, all the agencies are here under.
What do we really
all
have
the
to
agencies are here under the ministry, will be there. Chief Director now, or Ministry of Information, almost on Pamano. And to say no pay, and can say Minister of Information about Adom. And then Mubedin Komobi Best Rama, only one boy. It is Chief Director and Bede. It is a Chief Director, Man, Minister of Information. See, when you go to the ministry, political leadership or ministry, or more 6. Maybe I'm a local government ministry. Dambuchi, Martin, Obi, Collins Tim. Asa. Omo maka o ministry woni nyina ye technical, omo ye Ghana, omo ye public servants. Omo chi Prado, omo chi Land Cruiser, omo ji fuel. Chief directors won more benefit. Chief director no, oji all the allowances. Eti what are we talking about? Unless say Rebecca say baby edu no, yem pamo Ghana for ni bi nemfi adwuma nim no mo continue.
But that's not a prescription.
Because the last time we checked, the total cost of Article 71 holders at DBA Commerce on the entire wage bill, no, just about 0.7 something percent, and do 1%.
So encourage.
And do 1%. Men can say and yet and so
do 1%.
Yes. Yes.
It doesn't also suggest that more abuses.
Exactly. I am just trying to make the figures clear so that we realize. Say, listen. See,
the problem be to two as here. And Article 71.
Ubetumi ahwe, ubetumi aka ho asem, enye ho. Eno no ye ka e de kata nsem so. Ye ka e de je emotions e den e ma ye ho.
Amanfo
e ka me say Ghana Land Cruiser black bi etwuma say politicians. They be o.
But that's not the case.
Ah, na so woni.
Yeah, that's not the case.
Your private people are driving Land Cruisers be
a lot.
And our ministries in the departments now, a lot of the directors and the chief directors be Land Cruisers or your politician. Or my Mr. Woko easily go on. And I know almost have to go say to our holders. So but these things say I want you to buy.
Are we not being truthful to ourselves, man? Politically, that's what we do. We keep hurting with lies, with propaganda.
No one your political benefits.
So how do we solve our problems?
That is why I think that we need a new generation of political conversation. Until I remember TV new radio, so I say young can say this. So I just say me can say you know me can match it. Until the American you know can work on one sem. Say you know Christ Article 71 for no just about a little under 1%.
Yeah, addresses are there.
So I just say be catch me a car putting here the appointment of Bernard
because a lot of issues are presidential staffers and the Jubilee. I buy you a phone call for more than 2,000.
Let me address the presidential staffers.
If we don't really get to do these conversations, why would government engage the service of more than needed persons at that place? For what?
Because the reason is that if you go to the presidency today, and as of 2023, we have 44 senior presidential staffers, 44. Oh my. And you'll be a more bank behind a banker.
Because Obi who Frank has also a presenter, but all multimedia.
Exactly. So I just say, and you'll be a Tessa bank here, or to any more at Mumpaka, Munina, the Dumani Shonkupa, but on your banker. So I'm going to say, and you'll be a more officer of the president behind a presidential staffer. Presidency.
So for the records,
Nipa 1,000 no more
public service.
Nipa 1,000. The public service is almost close to 700. Public service.
Constant.
Me say me national service officer the president Castle. I want me national service 2008. Me koto e work Castle no e be that so Jubilee House. Me call Castle first time me call me national service me small boy me did e no. Da so me ba Jubilee House na say da so wo ho mo yedwuma. No more young men, baby na be bon kokra. Otio, President Kufuor aba, otio, President Mills aba, otio, President Mahama aba, otio, na Kufuor aba, 4 presidents. But that's you can't do anything about them because someone your man paying a form. He has civil service, health, Ghana Health Service, ambulance service, Ghana National Fire Service, Parks and Gardens. Omo na form the bomb e de ba ho. Some institutions some will be on for the staffing norms. E chere say you can say accounts department Control Accountant General nipa dodo ese so mo form account department. So I just here, sa nipa dodo no omo no mo be kire, enyo mampeni na e kire.
So are we able to cap say your standard public service for mo no aban be call unless otherwise extremely important. Nipa 700 public service for mo go. Na yemfanka say this is the cap or the threshold. Aban bi abebe bia no so no. we don't expect you to exceed 20 and 10 and 15 and are we able to do that?
It's all a matter of public service commission. I'm not technical people.
Those who are politically active.
The politically active for no more. Me say, me your man pedina ni pare do ama form me no mo ye adwuma nyina 300. O man ni nyina o mo ama form so mo mbo be ne mfa nchechire o man no na me push me vision.
Because if you check the records, sir, presidential staffers,
I'm 44.
I'm 44. What about 2 saying? I'm
85.
No. How is it like?
Oh, but I'm being in Angelo. What am I baby actually? I think 61.
So how then are we crying?
Man be ma me pesa ye to me presidential service 2016.
Yeah,
61.
61.
Yes, Minister of State at the presidency. No more 6. Nana Akufo-Addo, Minister of State at the presidency year 2. Presidential staff is here 44. As at 2016, no more 6.
But only maybe I will say, be careful with what you're putting out.
I'm giving it to you. You know me. Me say, you know me. Me say.
Presidential staff
as at 2016.
Yeah.
Presidential staff is as at 2016. No more 61. Ministers of State at the presidency. Now only 6. And Nana Akufo-Addo, Ministers of State at the presidency, a year 2. Presidential staff is a year 44. Now that is figures don't lie.
Let me have this and then put it.
No, that's the truth.
Are we sure of what we are saying?
Yes.
Dominic, won't check me because you see this conversation of.
This is public record.
I said sometimes we can also.
No. Maybe my credibility is on the line. My credibility is on the line. My credibility is on the line.
You can also distort some of these.
Me want to know 2014 ground.
No, 2014. What was it?
2014 Ministers of State in A5. In a presidential staff under Professor under John Dramani Mahama. Ministers of State 2014 A5. Presidential staff is no more 24.
What's the source for this?
Presidency. That mean you want me do ma. Our parliament and so it is in parliament. It is in the presidency is a parliament.
So during vetting, when it pops up that more engaging a lot of people and these figures are coming up.
We don't say my catch order that say in common
no, but we cannot.
We don't scrutinize it.
No, but we cannot. Apart from scrutiny.
Yes.
Then a member who we are manual service on training. What did true?
Another member. Na say Nancy me person many ninja bantanti me say Nancy a member of parliament. Ebe throw Facebook on any Facebook or say a free bepe money. Ye nya presidential staffers beyond a certain number.
No, it doesn't matter. Once is
which wasn't true.
One is a member of parliament. One member of parliament, basically, also.
Oh no, could you tap Blackwa? He put it out. A member of parliament. I had to even challenge him on my Facebook wall. Say, in some no kind of intro.
What is the motivation for politicians? Say, maybe ditro. Why?
Political gain. So can no kwena. Now the enemy say, "Oh, can this no kwena say no kwena chese my yard here." Say yanto mame. Okay? Or say from available records in parliament. The highest number of comparative political appointees ever reported in the entire Fourth Republic was 70 in 2012, which declined remarkably to 31 by 2015, which is a complete lie. So what I say, which is a complete lie. Oh, I think that because even in 2016, the total number of other political appointees was 118. 118 other political appointees. In 2016, it was 118. But Obeka is crossing 70. So I'm going to say, for political gains. For me, I think, what we can do to sanitize this whole political space, and say, so because let's hold them to it. So I just say, you hold you to it. You momo and share as some no more cano, the fapem. But the iron is out of your mind, Obia Beka, no 2 foot regun anoko. And then the people also accepted hook, line, and sinker. Because hey, you know, they bit me a cooking kind near to me the details of it. But the fact of the matter is that yes, some ye can in say a 2 year book near show near church. You say, now, what is the other benefit of all the things we have done as a government? Russia, Ukraine, oko other countries Enuma for cry pamom ko tenefi. Yen on my way the entire period of the crisis, not even a single public sector worker was affected. And my FAB cracker. The number of nurses I formed during the COVID time. New nurses I formed during the COVID time. And my also bomb incentives, additional allowances, eka ho oban be no ka say we say last week fire service nkofo pass it out as I speak to you we say Ghana health service and financial clearance our more fan nurses over 6,000 as I speak to you even in our difficult times over 6,000 we say last 2 weeks Ghana education service release appointment letters for new teachers even in our difficult times in our crisis.
So Komono, a lot of people are interested. Frank Nana Boateng say, Oman, please tell Dennis that if they reduce the minister's appointment, the allowances and other benefits can be saved. That's what you are describing as insignificant. Is that the case?
I've told you. Say if you compare, compare the level of productivity.
Yeah.
So I just say, who's a kebi abebubi already am faso onye free. A kebi abebubi a unhwe faso ayeden onye free. If you compare, don't forget say allowances na ye ka ho asem say minister ni niwa allowances ni free o. Me say minister no ene obeba multimedia as minister of information and nti obaye no ono mutu kwan kokofodua. Na ya man allowance because okokofodua. Oni ho a director na ho no be den. Obeko nti sa director no obeji allowance no. We need to put that thing into proper perspective. Because we are minister allowance be na oje. Oji ebia ministry ho no utu kwan na ya ma ofuo. Meboa. Na ebia sa wokoda ya accommodation and DSA. Sanya ma we nyina no. Sa wuni ho a director no ho na obekwa koye se adwuma na ma no. Ye de allowance nyina be ma. Okay,
so you heard him say Sabeka Mark Oliver Kevo, Eastern Region, one chairman, NDC Amanyoko chairman. Mark Oliver Kevo, you heard him say Sabeka no Habib Bantu so challenge. So one journey and Temono say, how come 2023 people working at the Jubilee House is over 1,000 people? How is that possible? So this is what we fed ourselves all this while. The production team they do add the betuso. Then we can really scrutinize
the breakdown is there. So I can't say 1,000 on Jubilee House.
No, all source no I want them to do a check. No, I'll never doubt it. But I'll double cross check to be sure.
Politician. What is that? Me pen am to be casem. Na say me ko hu na say asem na me kai no na no kre ni mu me
no problem. No, Adam, to be sure. The production team needs to be.
And nobody made
But Habib, that's what he said 2023. Over 1,000. No, because I think if I recollect, there was this vetting question by, is it Mahama Yariga or Oromo Mama? One of them, Omfan Chemenkai. I know claims that the number of appointees at the presidency, they're quite worried.
You know 1,000. You know who cry. Or my political appointees, obey your man Penia. And so we Jubilee House while we corona away empty. So I just say, so we Jubilee House while. And so we Jubilee House one. Na Jubilee House way empty. Now what's the sound go for ba? Ye be Jubilee House one. Na ni pay you more bro 600. O man said they make a minister what here. Ye o man pay na dan ko fa do. O Jubilee House no. Na ni pay wo ho e keka ko be 600. As at the time on no be Jubilee House wo. Enti it is not as if so buy Jubilee House no. Na obi eni ho. And what's the sound for Ababegu? 2016, the total number of employees are no more Jubilee House 897. Public sector employees out of this 897, 712. Am I waiting here? 712, 712. Omo ye nurse for, omo ye doctors, omo ye police for, omo ye fire service, ambulance service, omo ye gardeners, omo ye caterers, omo ye accountants. Omo ye registrars, omo ye secretaries, omo enyo mampeni na de omo ko ho. Omo mi say dey make what you say.
Yeah, because no
712 yi na yen ye wura Jubilee House no mo ho 712. Omo ho da. Here any do mo buy ye beto omo. Na enyo mampeni bia so na de omo buy e public sector institutions no and they post omo ba. Let's separate the two. Omo the actual number of political appointees are a Jubilee House. 361. Political appointees. 361 no great in you. 361 no emu 44 na presidential staffers. 44 no so no. 44 no so kai say sa 361
no. The production team has worked on it. Omo dey beto is here until me person obeka sepi because
my say our production to omo pay we are data on rame.
No, Debbie. We need to go outside what you are telling us.
Me
yeah, man yourself. Me man yourself.
Me kai am ma.
The ebe please you.
Yeah, Mr. Dominic.
Debbie
friend me say Debbie and then we maintain.
Debbie please you no.
Debbie 361. Me say political appointees all total political appointees as at now. ɛyɛ 361 ɛwɔ ha
okay
361 emu no 361 emu 44 na presidential staffers
okay
ɔman so kai sɛ wonim sɛ political appointees yɛ yɛ kɛyi ebi mo yɛ stewards o ebi mo yɛ stewards ebi nipa ne bebree from presidential staffers so Jubilee as one presidential staffer nti saa adeɛ na yɛ trasa ne yɛ kan yɛ sɛ oh ɛna presidential staffer nti yamane car yamane say debi o
that's why I'm
ɛnyɛ obiara o yɛ political appointee wɔ Jubilee as no work car ɛna wo fu ɛna wo say debi yɛ wɔ secretaries 2000 1005 28 hwenka ho bebree so I just say bebree saa 361 no emu presidential staffers I bet you because when the staffers omo ya shada omo 44.
Okay, so yamba back to another area of interest. You can say road.
And I can also say South Texas one no. Ayo munya no muti Jubilee house. Ayo munya
eno de be ba beto Jubilee.
National Identification Authority
how? Eno de be
National Employment
we almost through
Entrepreneur Innovation
Program. We almost through with whatever we are saying say then they don't worry yourself. That another area of interest, you know. Yeah, this matter of road contractors and non-payment. The last time I checked, road fund, now 3,000 Ghana cedi. And I need them. So what's happening? Because one cry the door, a coin chain in Uran ye lanes, nim titi a gata nim crano. From I think maybe a few Mudina can say from all these people they've not been paid. And if you check the account of road fund, that's 3,000 is the demand. Where is the hope coming from?
When I say, it's one of the things that is always work in progress. And maybe I mind what bills are as a suture.
Debbie, and go cast them because presidential staff is no near them. Meaning data we know Ogum Abamana presidential staff is presidential staff is yeah.
But
I won't watch you, and that's the problem with this country. No, I'm saying that many problem. They make kind of crap boy na as mine. I idea I won't watch it. I buy be about oh 2 sad and I say to the barest minimum. No, it causes you a problem.
Yeah, by bedding. I bet this are buying BB to be because say you see can you know. Their structure the end in the sense you want contrast e koye kwan. Say the be ya just can need to yan kakra. Ntem bre bi e be o bills for. Mbe bi e be o outstanding liabilities in that sector because all your kwan no na ye gege eto no na ye rituaka so I just say nti a work in progress. What I think say as I say ye hwe ye kwan be fa so ye betumi ma sika dodo na ye nya for that purpose no e betumi akọ enim kakra o man so what I say aha nti it's a worrying situation and all of that, but it's always work in progress. And maybe a very sensitive matter yam person me can't be careful kakra because obi wa kwajo bosia you know that baby eduma or specific bit you anka why eduma na be 1 year 1.5 years 2 years you anka a hard drink kakra. Maybe what we should begin to look at as all governments is to make sure say you be cut your coat according to your size. So what do you say say be a be hwese kadodo a bit me aboabo ano no na ahwe ehu nnwuma dodo ye den ye de bema. Unfortunately for governments no
over an ambitious government like the NPP. Amuni se munisika. As somebody almost about bed the old policies planting for food and jobs, one district, one factory, one village, one dam, year of roads, free SHS, you know, one district, one warehouse, and all those things.
The good news is that what's your mind more? There were different categories of people. And so be in your mind home fast. It's a for months so far so many of mine on planting for food and jobs. You to make us mine watch on muti enjoy monto. Ye nanom no muti fie no muti bin from manko school. Almost for so many of mine on any free senior high school. Private persons no person omo promoting businesses are omo sign to me do omo completely no. And for so many of mine on na one district one factory. And oba me kruma ever since ye wo me municipality Kuapem North. This is the first time in the history ye hu factory. Shoe fabric omo pa bo ni bi da me shey. I na pay me no ka say mranti ene mbaba a black and yellow. Last week me share unse na nkofo ka ho asem. Omo share black and yellow top omo kwakọ ye adwuma. So I just say okọ Acro Farms a omo kọ adwuma. Okọ Richie Plantation a omo kọ adwuma. The private sector also need to survive. Enti when you are buying a bar, you should make sure that you are touching base with everybody. The challenge is not the number of people you are touching, number of lives you are touching. The challenge is how you would be able to, whilst you are doing that, no, a corner be faster to mobilize more resources. Now to me, the idea, man. Now to me, man, now ambition ketwa. Amaya wo when you swadi hu ye ketwa de edo ye day. That's all about maybe 8 years. Now me am tell me
focusing on 2 or 3 majors.
Then
far better than say what's the same name.
Now be we na there can I say. We na dey wo fie out me ka say enemy ho achimi tin kwala mun school be 2 years. And now kasa wo fie. Efie kura no it me aho kira ba wo. Nkola mun tre fie be 2 years na yehwe menye skara masen yakọ. By the time I obenye sika no na nkola na ka 2 years. Me boa. By the time I sika no se beba wo because onim se sika na dey beba. Nti by the time I sika no beba no so oja nkofo ni nkola ni tre fie 2 years na ka say wo ni sika. Nto mun tre fie 2 years by the time you benya sa sika na wo expect no na nkola no na wo class 1 or say akọ class 1 me one dem fefo akọ class 4. Nti we na nkakra wo de kakra tu fees na de kakra hwefie na ho check kakra ba na wakọ bobo se kakra be hyem na de tua usika ba na wetua bosia ne kakra na de kakra so ahwe ayaresa wo de kakra tontare wo be wie na wetua bosia na wie na wase abo kakra ka ho sa na ye de abobra be du bebi edu sa na ye chechire oman America for the car, Japan for the car, South Korea for the car. The issue is not about how much you owe. The issue is not about how many lives you are touching. The issue is about how you'd be able to strategically mobilize resources. Or my say, and your COVID Ukraine Russia war, and can won't be in the situation we are in because your fundamentals have been weak. We have done a lot of things. We've borrowed and we are using it for so many other projects. Banka, we could have managed it. So we could have managed it if not for those shocks. It was so unfortunate. Say, once we were doing all of this, this unforeseen calamity ever betoye. And you know, we wouldn't have a situation.
But even after the calamity,
and I said we are recovering.
Then I'm catches. Even with the recovery stage, then I'm going to go agenda 1, agenda 111. Why is it?
It's ongoing.
Oh, but we can't now.
Oh, but it's not ongoing. No, they catch me and say you're ongoing in a metro sign. It's not ongoing. But all the, at least 87 or 88 of the locations are ongoing.
87?
Yes. Oh, the data is here. I can give it to you. That's the last time coming over Kai.
Oh, 87. Agenda 111.
I'm telling you, even more. Me cry there's some so. It be pictures in here. It be pictures in here.
Agenda 111.
Agenda 111.
Oh. A picture there in front of you.
Say no, picture. One picture. You try, yeah, bye. Let's try go was. You go see Mark Oliver.
Between enterprise father Edona Sena Safari Tissues Yada Wasena Richoko na Zest Consult so Yada Ona se Franco for the able to on Akasa 0246422338 and 0555939311 sounds na Zest Consult so between on Akasa 0555633163 and 05090923330. Mark Oliver Kevo Swatnasi, I mean, congratulated because Eastern Regional Chairman, NDC, the man, no, the 2 million and so in Shian and Kasai, say, what this and could. What Tanasian idea about BC with him said, when Yameyo Omaduma, the next commissioner in charge of IT, Electoral Commission, and Atnasi. But what's your problem? That's say, yes,
no, but me, yes, Adam. Yeah, I respect myself.
But that is your field.
No, yes, that's my field. Yes, I have a PhD in there. But then at the end of the day, it is not only about being fair. People must also trust that you will be fair.
But you are competent to do the job.
It's not about that. Competence, they say the part of be brave or competence. So what I'm saying, but democracy, trust. Very, very important. There was a man for GDA. Ewo system num. As a nipa ya den ekwatena we. Unim de obon ho moden wa ben. Na so ni dwumadi a okwakodi no. Sa ni nim de no wo no. Onfa nye dwuma no entia baako enya baako.
But what will be wrong if your government appoints you as a commissioner to lead?
I will outrightly tell them that this is a no. Say no kwani appointment I want the be ma me no munjai. Because watch them. Yes. Yes. Electoral Commission. NDC former regional chairman. NDC former regional secretary. NDC former constituency youth organizer. I'll be posters in them Ghana baby. Now No, meaning is NDC president be kompo na adwen so be sade.
But you are qualified.
Of course, qualified not for electoral commissioner in terms of domain expertise. So minim de wo adwuma num say IT niamo niama ne ade no be qualified. But nyame nkwa na be qualified. But I'm politically exposed. They say no, obi anim say me NDC. At the moment o man pani bi benya kukudura bo me din say me nkwoboa ne ehwe abato so no. Confidence Ghana for na to aba no ebenya Gideon benya ewo yimi mu say meye fair no be kofom.
But if you are politically exposed,
yes,
does it mean you cannot work diligently and objectively and fairly?
At where?
At the Electoral Commission?
No. It is not about you. It is about the perception of the people. Politics na ye no e ni padodo no e na ye. It no gidie na omo ewo systems na ye dey putting in place no is as equally important as the competence of the people. So it is not just about your competence and competence is okay, it is the first line. But at the end of the day, ni padodo na ye so mo no so omo wo gidie ese ukohwa obeye fair and I say when you fair. That is the crux of the matter.
So you disagree to the appointment of Dr. Atuai?
Totally. And it's a call or no crowd or giving one up for such an appointment. So time because but and then when you say Dr. Bossman, you boni di no dibrika ko je ne de. Eti no mo do mo hu say ministerial appointment, MPP appointment na bi no mgu soje. And even including Eba Meje Mensa. Oba for fraud, no for say oye presidential appointee or minister in charge of elections. It is near free female appointees kura no so mo ye party ni ade kura no kobi. So it is the mindset SO and also can aban adwuma ho a omampani timi ma appointment say DC ni minister ne chief executives ne board ne ho de am some mo electoral commission.
But say they are told say about to nkunim die ni electoral commissioners and the commission. But the here say we they say we renfor now say the process na dey koto aba na kasa no share ni bibia da
NSNK yeah appoint electoral commission we will do an autopiloting sort na make can say so when e edru ho a ye nyina yenko gina police station na yenkan ye ho ni ehu MPP for do NDC for do ni na ye report ye ho. You know, there must be somebody at the middle. And only referee, no. And that referee must pass a certain standard. And there are friends and Oba area self and you were near my deshe. As a wabatwa we no a free and fair and no one your money. A business say it was said largely no man for what GD or electoral commission and no say or non-partisan and we free and fair. Electoral commission also say any machine. Nipa ene edom kogu eti nipa edom kogu no onkata wani nka se menua we de oye NDC ni a obi ani twa so NDC na chenchena ona de na ekose onkonkohwe abato so yenye ne sa. When you do that you reduce the confidence among for war electoral commission.
What by a chairman of a party in opposition at a region president or Tisu Ifri akugudo no free?
Oh well say near from I'm a regional secretary and I'm transiting to regional chairman. And I still insist that Eastern region, so what Eastern region as here? Won't mean say Eastern region MPP for there.
Eastern region?
Oh yes, until 2000. 1992, 1996, we won Eastern region. NDC won Eastern region. We won with over 15 seats and so at that time out of 26 seats. And 2000 Fofia Tuata and NPP 45. And since then, we have been hovering around between 36% and 42%. It's if you are not even doing well, you are doing 42% in the region. You can't say where you will be stronghold. You know, and if you understand the demography of the place a year, now say yeah, the name will be air to 2 whole year. We will come back to our.
So how many seats?
Glory. For now, you're 8. Out of 33.
Then you want to get,
and we will improve it. Me bobo holding my miracle monkoye emergency crisis meeting and case has a top from half or a top from my so that from one. O me say there are some of the seats especially some kosu kipu omo MPs na e wo ho na seat na better from so ti ase. one backyard crab akọ ho a ehihim ohwe ye na se
ono awo no
one hwe ye na se me ho dada na mu ja na so nko a one hwe a ebeto from
backyard ne dokuya
etino
dokuya se no ekapomasa so etino this baby this
Debbie you told me this morning that who could you vote
niama yeye wo ho no ebe de na
but that is why you also tell me
niama yeye wo ho no ebe de also for example
in 2020 despite COVID sika omo cheye e the year campaign ene ho niama ne ade no okọ ensawamu a
mo party for na
onim na say dem akasa this are not so there enema party for ensawamu say kapiapem constituency ensawamu constituency for example na bia majority chief rep if the constituency yenya 31,000 and we need with 33,000. So this is a seat won't be kase
modia
you understand
31 33
yes check it
na semen
31 33 etino at the end of the day no Eastern region we are
but Eastern region abai president otisu abecc akwan no dodo na ama bibia nam de kwaso the institutions ahodo ba honom open up the region to ensure say obey a very smooth business wise education wise job opportunities wise
omampeni nanado oba puimantem obeka nsem bibiri nsem de bibiri na Ghana fort man ene apuimantem oba niema eye major infrastructure we puimantem nyina oba kwaka wa mo nkroma time oba beka Rollins anase omampeni Professor Mills anase John Mahama
oba history
yes in terms of
infrastructure.
So what I say? Secondary schools. Fribretente and Misra Medical School, St. Peter's Secondary School. Afibiano, existing secondary schools, no, na among for the big ebia classrooms, we know the bia beka dormitory. I know the Afibiano, a baby at me. But say omampeni bi se maba. This catchment area there, secondary school be it mamifa bi enko. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama anya kura no ma 12. Yes. Nyanwa kwa ba. Achem takurase. Kwa ufodoa. Mim chemfre. Wa from plains. A from plains north holding na we dasa secondary school. Bia sheda ebi ho. Ena mankwa secondary school. Oba South that's the whole from plains South St. Fidelis secondary school bakope. Enya de mame krobo secondary school ebeka ho. Oko apesua obopa anuma papam ene ade ba ko a started wo your friends saying kwa biachi wo ena omo aba ba ye wie as the only secondary school
ba ko be kwa biachi
abi o se kwa bin mikro kwa bin
school be na mo se to kwa biachi e ba be
abomosu yes ena omo aba be wie on ko hwehwe you should go and check.
That's all the mercy catch. Who your mercy catch?
Region no me elite.
Oh, some me correct.
Only
come we are the
that's
12 school. The only one never
say
and I want you to secondary school better.
The 12 no the credit.
Yes, you can
12 no the credit.
Say yen abomosu kan school.
Oh,
the only one now.
It is part of
it's not part.
Community secondary
school. It's not part. It's not part. It's not part.
Abomosu funny free scratch.
Yes.
Oh, media.
You don't know the history. Saying school down there is
the background. Only background.
Ah, am I not in your account? School down there.
Secondary school.
11 the movie. Yeah. Abomosu the man ya ho hwe.
Ya je asase. Bibia sika ne bibia. This said no.
Why are you doing this to your viewers?
Akwese
na money we na say mebusa question.
Akwese the only public university apart from Kufudia Technical University.
The omodia ko na say
so many ade.
Yeah, so many ade.
So what you say? And who said you can't say
so many amuchiko ya na so
oh no so many ade no ho nyese ka the other satellite campus there was ka ekọ donko kro ya from the bar and omodi aba bunsu ho sa no so what you say and no cry no second phase Korea for sika second phase na kana ese no kra no mo de yesa campus no kra no etwetwerombo. So what I say, in terms of no cry just educational. And no education. Uba insuo say water projects. The 3K water project. We so we must
mind your car and one. I mean,
I'm distracted.
Was 11. But what just say up what you have to
yes. And now I understand. That's the only secondary school. You the fan chom. You fan one and chom.
I guess what the fan chom. What class one?
Which other secondary school? You are in your 7th year. You are in your 7th year.
We are me year no.
What's if the free SHS about school for what pay so no one your money? You are in your 7th year. And then why? In terms of
in the eastern region.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Appointment of Assam America. So what I say, and we in terms of insuo, we one water project expansion. Kwa water project, I can't 3 cases no kwa kumba konongo. I ne kwa insuo me fi and then bua na insuo ne ba. So hum water project. Nyaya no mo person better chebi water project. Or da or snase water project. And you water project. Kwa just say these are things our man penny John Ramani Mahama Breso. On found some more to Abama and answer one to Abama. So test major water project bang and I'm say half for him so pa young from mom. Anyhow, and that is the reason why and linking it to IMF I see a sika reserves no one their money. That is what people are asking questions. SSR sika most of my JJ when their money are di. The people on the ground are not feeling it. And Yesaya Yana Kran said, this was assembly. And I'm happy he was a DC. On one when more brand for me, say, yeah, it was a blessing in disguise. Because one here, and can best send CV. Such a sharp guy. He would have passed as a DC or by one measure.
And I'll cast a woman.
So because oh no, madam for madam for so
mammy come somewhere.
The pa in the area, but because you have passed as DC because in the DC for 7 atonko to okra ya because I buy the capping system no sika esen ka omu je jade ba form Emma district assembly so etimi yom ne ma kaka no eni ho so aban I broke it will trust now don sa esun wanu bisa say it yes aban ye broke sika bebre aye kan wasemi ni aye kan resource envelope say ye besia say ye tax aye tua say ye ni amanfo de chain ani nyina baba begu envelope no mo no e dem pa na ya me am so bete sempoa omampani John Drabani Mahama ne Professor Amos ebre mekania kanea na chi me twen se ba ba me kwan aye me ye no sa resource envelope kakaka ya ye kasa sika bibra begumi me so be chefa wo mu ne se den ya omonte ase and that is the reason why ye kasa IMF ebe kasa ye reserves no aka just about 3 weeks the last time you do such a place no early 90s and meanwhile a year idea they should ask themselves rather than coming and then justifying everything or pushing blame on friends saying COVID and then when they
trivialize the impact of COVID, the impact of Russia, Ukraine. In fact, with COVID, I feel that greater economies recover. And with COVID, Edi omun say eko akose ibiti maboa because omun sika se won to tie no atofom omun ye pe omun se nwan momo abijan enwan momo hanum se enwan momo akra di America ko IMF the dia pa na aye pu se omun de omun ko IMF
minia all the compare enye and sebe the indicators are not the same wo hwe a friend saying import covers here World Bank a data Omon ka say a friend saying Cote d'Ivoire import cover aka 3 weeks. So what you say? We are in the league of a friend saying Ethiopia and South Sudan. Ntokwa Zimbabwe yet say Zimbabwe economy we are now in their league. They are not mentioning South Africa, Nigeria, friends saying Ivory Coast. Our peers in the past. Say South Sudan on a league. then you want to defend. What free Premier League, about Division 3. What about Division 3 and you are pointing hands to one more Premier League. Sabe, new sem. So tell us, how do you even compare? How do you compare? Because the data is there. One person amodi we my.
Oh, Division 3 now do we care about.
One amodi my and minia unim.
Manifest wrap up my.
Adeba say ya cap solutions ni be HRL. Because COVID no the Ghana for kra no omo etiase kra sen minua aboaja etiase. Omo nim say COVID no kra na mamu nya afaso ye. Because over 21 billion a eba omamu ha say no. Besi na muntimi nkyere enwane to Ghana for asum nyamode say sika dodo no ye. Apart from nyamamo party for can say mo cheche mamu ho emamo de ye campaign. Etino what the COVID eye excuse enye ye. COVID rather even shored up your reserves no because forex most of the sika kese buy apart from the yetwa free omamu ha say di ma omo no sika kese buy do no na forex it no kopo show up your forex it no want to be financial COVID. Okay. After we can Russia Ukraine minia okay OEC report and I say World Bank put data Ghana ye import baby ye import to enema efri pa ba the top 25 countries Russia and Ukraine crank count top 25 countries Russia and Ukraine
Richard Oduro
over 80 to 90% of your imports are nyano about top 30 countries Russia and Ukraine
Richard Oduro champions your chairman of Paucho abomusu de Ifrim also Paucho abomusu Ifrim assassin some going
I can grant them. Okay. I can grant them. Me, I know the history. I was a regional secretary at that time. Okay. The regional minister, maybe I'm from Pong, and I'm more two. Even the MP. At that time, district. The two MPs. So I know the history of it. But almost say on my we can grant them. We can give it to them
from beginning. Say. And this is for Omukasa, and that's why we scrutinize you. Yes, I make us scrutinize 11 or didn't have a check. I have almost people. So make us scrutinize 11 now, didn't have a check. 11 do Janada. Oh, and I be my this is a Omaka about Russia. Okay, I'll see you now. Russia and UK, any top 30 cranium free. Oh my, your cranium, any free techie. Techie for rely on Ukraine and Russia for energy, any other inputs. Take inflation 80%. What it means is that one crime no man feel Russia, but of crime Russia take here equal 80%. Where simple man. What I mean, the guy is this for no. Because no one scrutinize. You be found to now. Your crime no if you Brazil, your crime no if you US, your crime no if you Vietnam. Nyina ka top 30 no ka no. Sa fo nyina complain say input na phosphate, fertilizer, normal energy, construction inputs omo jifi Russia Ukraine omo nya enunti ama omo no na omo ye ebo no koso de dodo no kraso ayede akofem nti ye koto akonyo nka ye koto $100 if you take in the buy ya and eko $180 it took 50 take ya one coffee fi Russia who fi take in the bag Ghana
but Russia application no
we simple mathematics onimo but I don't know obey interactive. Obey interactive. Oh, now then obey interactive. Cote d'Ivoire for also free tech. And the way you South Africa for countries obey nyina. Omo economies are struggling just as we are. Nigeria now we are struggling. Oh, chairman.
Africa has a why economy and struggle.
Chairman dey idea. Mr. Dey idea, Mr.
Oh, power.
I'm in Kasa. Oh my. Okay, Nigeria. So mo krefi ho. Nigeria, edu baby no mu disikato sika. You can say disikato sika out here. Nigeria, edu baby no, who hear sika and what to sika.
Nene.
Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast you refer. You know can say omo ni nyina na YMF. Omo ni nyina na ko America. Omo ni nyina na ko America.
That's not true.
America, omai ba omo ho. Omai tiare ku nipa.
That's not.
You free yare ku nipa.
Ni nyina ku nipa.
Akoma yare ku nipa. It is your boss. Yeah, you know, you're different for the course, but you never to move. And I don't say, about education infrastructure, and I want to settle this one. Yeah, bad beam, we say do us time. Yeah, bad beam, you say. Enye school na ne say watam school dan ba akwa kwesi nwurem. Now say nkwala nko school omuntumi nya kwan nko. Hwe Okwapman senior high school municipality. Ya asase ya yewo eso say abomusu asase ya da ho. Enti Ekuapem not for say nkwala pe bebi akọ school a. Enwu nyia say ye be kokọ pass asase wo bebi foforo. Akosi school dan foforo mo so mo ye den. That is why please. So school nyabutre. That is why when you come to Ekuapem not the level of infrastructure almost about 11 senior high schools.
Every government
does.
Professor Mills.
What you're doing is not fair.
Cash program.
It's wrong. What you're doing is wrong.
Professor Mills.
The level of infrastructure it was at schools. My classroom bakupe your classroom so baku 5. Bakupa is one. E-block no times 2. Obalate PSCS me assemblies asase da ho e late. And I'm the man like the previous senior high school, so fancy school dying. When we're going to build the infrastructure for them, realize as I see was in this until later, school for flow. Then you relocated the entire school no to another location. Any infrastructure idea, mom. And just say you blocks on my day. Almost block laboratory. I have a tall list. I have a tall list of 99 roads, 99 major roads in the eastern region. This is the list. This is the list. No, this is the list. No, my here. You can read it. Read it. I'm out from this is the road. Thank you so much.